What's up, people, and welcome back to a new stream here on the channel. My name is Dan from Crypto Rover, and thank you once again for tuning into this amazing stream, guys. What an amazing day are we having today. Let me know if you are liking this, of course. Let me know right away in the chat, because I do think, guys, we deserve this all-time high. We were anticipating this, of course, on the channel perfectly. We were doing this absolutely grateful, and also very beautiful to see, of course, to see the volume getting created for Bitcoin. Of course, guys, if you're just tuning into the stream, make sure to get comfortable. We are just starting the stream off, but guys, what an amazing day. Bitcoin setting a new all-time high. Unfortunately, I was not able to go live earlier than we are currently at the moment live. So, of course, right now we're going live because I do think there is a high probability that we're going to see insane volatility getting created once again in the live stream. Guys, Bitcoin looks absolutely bullish. It's looking like it is going to blast off even further. Of course, topping currently out around to 63.4k. And guys, I don't think this is the top yet here, because you can see, of course, the main thing that I'm looking at right now is, of course, the breakout of the symmetrical triangle. And this symmetrical triangle breakout will be pushing approximately the price towards, on the retest, approximately towards the 73k. So, am I very bullish on Bitcoin? Yes. Are we anticipating this correctly? Yes. And are we, I know I'm looking on the YouTube channels. I'm scrolling through YouTube the whole period. Once we're having this downward sloping consolidation for Bitcoin, people were getting freaking bearish on Bitcoin. People were still saying to me, guys, Rover, do I have to get into Bitcoin? I will be waiting for the 47k because we're going to correct. We're looking bearish. But no, guys, we were not being like this. We were being, of course, absolutely realistic. We are not counter trading the trend, and as you can currently see here, we're also getting rewarded pretty goodly. So, I mean, I have multiple trades open currently. Let's look at this trade first. So you can see approximately 9k in profit. And guys, the lovely part about this trade is, once again, I mean, a lovely part about all the trades is that we are opening it all together. So this trade, of course, we opened this together. We added more to our position also together. So definitely lovely to see. I'm with multiple accounts right now in some trades. So, of course, I will be riding this one to absolutely new all-time highs. Of course, added more to my position once having this retest. And, guys, you can see this retest. It can't be any perfect. And let me know how you everyone are doing. So, I see Fassi also saying, good evening from Thailand, XRP. We'll be checking into XRP as well later on the stream. Guys, we're just starting off. Bro, apologies about... Just apologize about XRP right now. It's absolutely sick. Well, let me look at XRP in a second, because I knew a lot of people were not believing me. But yeah, of course, we were looking at the XRP once it was sitting around the 50 cents, guys. We were telling everyone that you have to get into it. But I will be going into XRP in a second. But guys, the trade is absolutely going nuts. We are absolutely crushing it. And look at the retest. And this is once again what I do want to be saying right away. Once we're going into stream, guys, I'm here on the channel to try. I'm trying to educate you guys. I'm trying to help you guys off with becoming a better trader, with becoming a better person in the cryptocurrency space. Because it is not so easy as it seems to be. Because a lot of people think it's very easy to make money in crypto. And yes, in the bull market, it seems to be very easy. But of course, if you're looking to trading, guys, don't ever rush into trades. Don't ever rush into anything. But once having a retest, you are having a perfect opportunity. And you can see if you entered on the retest. And we were discussing this level so many times. So you can't say that I was not spelling enough information about this, because we were discussing this every single stream. Now you can see currently already 6.6% up here. And if you measure it to the wick, it's already 7.4%. So guys, let me first go after going into Bitcoin, I do think that we're going to create another leg up here. And you can see also smashing through with the 4-hourly candle through the previous all-time high. Maybe there's a possibility for a retest. But I will be going more into depth in Bitcoin in a second, because first, I want to be looking at ADA. I want to be looking at XRP, because, guys, what are we saying here on the channel? We have been spending this for such a long period of time. As you can see over here, guys, let me know for everyone who's right now in XRP. Let me know for everyone who's right now in XRP. Because, of course, we were on the channel approximately the 30th of March. We were talking about XRP sitting around 50 cents here. And we were saying, okay, guys, we are having an imminent breakout. Maybe it will be taking 2 more weeks. But it can be playing out anytime soon here. And the market structure seems very similar. So, like I told everyone on the channel, XRP is going to $3 in a very rapid pace. But once seeing the $3, I do think also we're going to see a stealth rejection. So, guys, please be careful with XRP. I'm right away going to say, because it will be correcting also pretty significantly, but it won't be doing it for the moment. So, I see also a donation from Samek, check Pirate Chain white paper. I will be not doing it right now. First, let me go into the charts. After that, I can be discussing these things. So, let's look at this. Let's look at XRP, because you can see since having the breakout of the symmetrical triangle, guys, we moved to the opposite. We cleared the 0.236. Once clearing the 0.236, you can see we are having a retest. We bounced to the upside and of course had a retest of the 0.382. So what are we currently doing, and what is the current situation that we are looking at? So currently we are getting rejected by the 0.5. Of course, the daily candle is still 10 hours away, guys. I do think, as you can see also over here, I do think that we're going to absolutely smash through this resistance target. Already got 2 rejections, but it will be, of course, a matter of time. If we're going to close the 4-hourly candle above this line, this will be, of course, absolutely bullish for me. I'm looking forward to see XRP heading towards the $3, and I see everyone saying in the chat, XRP army, but guys, I mean, I really love it that we are absolutely crushing XRP on the channel here. I mean, first I was always saying I don't really like XRP because of the lawsuit, etc. But of course, once the chart is flipping extremely bullish in front of my head, I will be not ignoring it. I will be not ignoring it if I see a chart being so bullish. Just similar structure, just like 2017. Similar structure, same buying opportunity. Why should you stay away from it? So that was the reason why I was, of course, giving this information. And we are completely transparent on the channel. So if you're accumulated this position, you are absolutely doing a good job, and I love to see you guys, of course, gaining more and more and more in your portfolio. So, I mean, a little bit, if you got into here, I mean, a lot of people were sending me private DMs on Instagram about their trades, and they were already entered at around 50 cents with the XRP long position. So everyone who still writes that, absolutely insane. That's an approximately 186% trade, and I am currently in a way too small position if I see this. Of course, I anticipated this. I opened this position, but not big enough in the end. But of course, that's always in hindsight. But of course, I'm glad that I'm making some good gains. So definitely worth to do it as well here. Don't think that we're done yet here. Even though that we're creating a bearish divergence, I don't think it's a good buying opportunity right now because there is a possibility for a minor rejection. But yeah, I do think the volatility will be created to the $3, guys. It will be here anytime soon here. Let's see what it is heading towards. And I mean, it is not only XRP, guys. It's not only XRP, because if you look to the price chart of Ethereum, guys, what are we having for Ethereum? Setting a new all-time high once again. Bitcoin moving up, by the way, to 63K once again. Guys, this day is absolutely excited. And if you are just as excited as me right now, make sure to smash up these likes, guys. Can we already reach the 200 likes in the beginning of the stream? That will be absolutely insane. But yeah, guys, like we discussed before, Ethereum is looking particularly bullish. You can see breaking through the all-time high earlier today, but just a minute ago, if I zoom in a little bit, yeah, just a minute ago, just exactly a minute ago, we set a new all-time high for Ethereum once again here. So do I feel bullish about Ethereum? Yes. Do I feel bullish about the altcoins in general? Yes. And if I look to the chart, by the way, guys, we were yesterday discussing the symmetrical triangle getting formed on the price action of Ethereum. You can see we are breaking to the downside. I don't think that we're necessarily going to reach the price target. The price target is already maybe, no, we're not reached it yet, but I will be extending this resistance line because this resistance line is still a line that we have to be breaking here on the price action of Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. Maybe forming some kind of a descending triangle, guys. Let's see what it will be doing. Definitely still think that we have to be bullish on Ethereum compared to Bitcoin because we are breaking very critical levels of resistance. We are still finding support over here. And of course, as you can see right now also in the chart, there are just a little bit of profits from Bitcoin scaling out once again, going to the altcoins. And of course, what we are currently seeing in the market in general is the Bitcoin is once again carrying the market to new all-time highs. And of course, some key coins are bleeding like expected. Some coins that were getting pretty overextended are right now bleeding. And the reason why here is because coins are overextended, people are seeing Bitcoin gain, and they're going to shift their profits from altcoins a little bit back to Bitcoin. That is always how these things work here. And I see someone saying FOMO channel. Guys, I mean, you can call us a FOMO channel, but you can't ignore that we were exactly spelling this once again. And I do think, I know for sure, we are not over yet here. So, yeah, what we are currently seeing here, of course, on the 1 hour, we're forming a bearish divergence for Bitcoin. On the 4 hour, we're not forming a bearish divergence, so I don't think the 1 hour bearish divergence is really imminent and really here to play out here. So yeah, let's see what it will be doing here. Of course, the weekly we have a massive bearish divergence. Daily we have a bearish divergence. So these are of course things that I do want to keep an eye out on. But yeah, previously we were also creating multiple bearish divergences over here, but we still moved higher. So a probability what Bitcoin can be doing right now is, of course, crushing through this level, set some higher highs here, of course, and take out the previous high in the RSI as well, and then we can, of course, invalidate this bearish divergence and move higher. So there are, of course, some bearish divergences playing out here. I don't think it's necessarily, it's always a bad thing, but I don't think it will be pushing Bitcoin that low. So also, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, right away we'll be going into a lot of charts, guys. We have so many things to discuss today. I want to be looking at ADA. We'll be going into Cardano in a second, guys. Give me a moment. Because yes, all these altcoins, all the coins, the whole cryptocurrency space is absolutely booming, guys. We are here once again. The bulls are in control, and just like yesterday on the Twitter, first we'll be going into this here. Was all right away congratulating every Bitcoin holder. So if you haven't followed me already here on Twitter, it would be of course very amazing. But I mean, look at this, guys. Look at this guy. Don't forget, this is your last chance to sell your Bitcoin above 60K. I told right away. I right away told everyone, please don't worry. We will be selling around 100K. I mean, I will be starting selling at 100K. I will be never selling my whole position, like you already know in the channel. So, Needy also donated to the channel. You're saying, hey, Rover, I missed a lot cause of school last days. When could I enter an Ethereum trade? So, let me go into that in a second, Needy. It's pretty unfortunate that you missed out here, but school, of course, also very important. So, hopefully you're learning some good things on school, because otherwise it's pretty unfortunate, right? So, let me first discuss this one, because I do think that we're going to bounce a little bit back to the upside. But if we're not going to do so, I mean, yeah, we're probably going to keep falling. And maybe this is, we are already, of course. I mean, I already think that altcoins, we are maybe in already alt season, but it looks to be a little bit of a pre-season for altcoins. So I don't think the best gains are here yet. But what can be a possibility is Bitcoin bouncing back a little bit more to the upside. I mean, once Bitcoin is right now pumping, I do think I was not expecting these altcoins to pump that significantly as well, because Ethereum is still outperforming Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is setting new all-time highs. I was expecting some more volatility getting created in Bitcoin. So that's also, as you can see in the Bitcoin dominance playing out here, not really a big bounce to the upside where Bitcoin is setting a new all-time high. So let's see if we're going to see still. Let's see if we're going to see a curve to the upside getting created, and if we're going to do so, I mean, I will be really entering some of my altcoins on the 59%, but I don't think it's necessarily going to be reached here. I do feel extremely bullish on altcoins right now. I think we are in a very good season. So let me first discuss real quickly where you can possibly enter your position for Ethereum. So, sorry I can't speak. I'm getting way too excited. I want to talk way too quickly. So, I mean, where do you want to be entering your position on Ethereum? So to be honest, I do think that we're probably going to create a lot of volatility right now in this coming day. The coming 3 or 4 days will be extremely bullish for the cryptocurrency space in general, and also of course very bullish for Ethereum, and of course for all the other coins. So I see Cheryl also tuning in to the stream, and you're saying this few days have been amazing. Yeah, that's completely true. These few days were being very amazing, and of course right now having this new ultimate getting created, absolutely lovely. So let me go in Bitcoin after this once again, because I see some people talking about it. But as you can see right now, if you look to the Ethereum price section, where should you be entering? We were heading this upward sloping resistance line getting formed. We were getting rejected multiple times here. But since crushing through this level, since closing the 4-hourly candle above it, we are, of course, really showing the breakthrough on the 4-hourly candles. But what you do want to be seeing right now is maybe a retest of this line here. Like I told you before, I do think that we're probably going to create more volatility to the upside, but entering a trade over here is not a smart idea in my opinion. You should be staying on the sidelines for quite a while before entering one, but yeah, let's see what it will be doing. But I should only enter a trade once having a retest, but before that, I do think that we're already going to see more volatility, but it is way too big of a risk to enter right now in trade, especially because Ethereum is forming a bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Ethereum is forming a bearish divergence on daily right now. So I mean, is it smart to enter right now? I don't think so. I should think that you want to be staying on the sidelines. So let me also go into the lower time frames for Bitcoin. Maybe we're seeing something very interesting, guys. Because yeah, of course, in the end of the day, I like to trade Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is a very nice asset to trade, but you can see, if you look at the 1-hourly candles, you can see that there are a lot of wicks getting created on the lower side. So there's a lot of buying pressure right now going on here. And once again, a little bit of a consolidation period going on. So usually once Bitcoin is consolidating after such a huge run up here, guys, and this is of course very easy market structure to reach. You can see a move to the upside getting created, consolidation, buying strength is cooling off for a second, making ourselves ready for another leg up here. I do think that we are going to see an imminent leg up here to a new ultimate anytime soon getting created. So that's the thing that I'm looking forward to. And guys, also, like we discussed earlier on, we were identifying this pump before it really happened here on the channel. We were identifying this pump before it really happened, and my reason to believe that we're still going to go higher here is because the MACD is just starting up here. But I think the 4-hourly candles are going to see more volatility getting created, maybe towards the 67K, maybe already towards the 70K in the coming 24 hours, guys. I think these coming days will be very exciting. Tomorrow will be a very exciting day, and so a thing that you already can expect from me is that I will be streaming tomorrow once again, and I will be streaming at the early hours because I think tomorrow already will be a very exciting day. I think overnight will be also very exciting. So if you are willing to tune into the stream tomorrow as well here, make sure to already subscribe to the channel, because then you are up to date. Yeah, then you're up to date of the channel once we're doing another live stream. So What you can see here on the MACD here is on the 4 hourly candles, we're basically starting an uptrend. And of course, for the moment, we're setting a lower high, but this momentum wave is not done yet here. I do think that we're going to create a higher high because, yeah, the momentum is basically to the upside for Bitcoin. There's also my reason to believe that we're probably going to see some more volatility getting created on this 4 hourly chart as well here. So let's see what it will be doing. Momentum is very bullish. We have bullish candles over here. We're looking extremely bullish for Bitcoin. Also, especially on the daily, guys, look at this. The momentum is since, let's see, since the 24th of February, we were seeing this uptrend getting started here, setting higher lows, lower highs. I mean, yeah, it's particularly looking good. And you can see it also playing out in the symmetrical triangle. Uptrend getting started on the MACD on the daily. Guys, we're already going to see a reversal. And I do think, like I told you before, this is the beginning of the end. This is the end of the beginning. We are having a new bull run getting started. I mean, we are still in the same bull run, but you can see over here, I will be calling this the first part of the bull run, and right now we're going into the second part. And the second part is the most exciting part because the second part, guys, of the bull run is the exponential growth period. So are we going to see exponential gains for Bitcoin and altcoins? Yes, I do think so. I think that we are right down the place where we're going to go and see these 30x's playing out here, guys, in just a matter of a few weeks. So make sure to do some good analysis. Make sure to look at certain projects. What I'm also currently doing right now, and I see people talking about Ethereum even more and more on the channel. But I think we're right now in this exponential growth period, guys. We're going to absolutely crush it. We are at the beginning of the end. We are on the beginning of the end, and we just ended the first phase of the bull run. So everyone's talking about Ethereum on the channel. Ethereum is absolutely crushing it right now. Yeah, I have to give it to you. Ethereum is right now crushing everything what we can see, and also the Litecoin trade is absolutely perfect as well here. So Litecoin also blasting up to the upside even more and more, guys. The altcoins are right now. I mean, Ethereum is really gaining more strength compared to Bitcoin right now. So this is pretty exciting to see here. You can see also in Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, we are bouncing back to the upside, guys. We are creating more volatility to the upside. Let's see what we're going to do. Are we going to create new all-time high anytime? We are already creating new all-time highs. So what is the level that we're going to stop? I don't think that we're going to stop anytime soon here, especially for Ethereum. $2,500 is that the target? Let's see where this is heading towards. But then I see a lot of people talking about all kinds of coins, guys, but I will be first going into BNB because I think BNB is, of course, very exciting coin to talk about for a moment. So but let's see what we are having here. Let's see what we are having, and let me see if we can spot some kinds of resistance level. So let me identify the swing low here. Let me identify the swing high as well. So yeah, what are we currently having for the BNB price action, guys? Is it very exciting? Are we going to see a leg down getting created? Are we going to see a cool period getting started? Yes, I do think so. I do think that we're probably going to cool off for the price action of BNB for a second. We are pretty overextended, and I know a lot of people on the channel are loving BNB, and I know I love it as well. I'm hugely exposed to it. I don't think it's over yet here. Basically, what you can see right now, BNB is approximately, let's say 100 billion. It's very close to Ethereum. And the reason why BNB is increasing so fast and Ethereum is not is people are all saying Ethereum is going to fail, BNB is going to take over. I don't think so. I think right now, of course, Ethereum has some problems with the gas fees. But, I mean, guys, what basically BNB is right now doing, it's not going to... It's not really gaining compared. It is, of course, gaining compared to Ethereum. But what it is basically doing is picking up the gains that Ethereum should be picking up. But Ethereum will be fighting back, guys. I think Ethereum will be fighting back, and I don't think Binance Coin can be already taking over Ethereum. So is it smart to go out of Ethereum back to Binance Coin? I do think, yeah, you can be making some good gains here. But I think the big positions and the big gains for Ethereum are still yet to be made. I still think that we can be heading towards the 6K here in this coming bull run. I don't think BNB is necessarily going to take over here. Of course, it's a very good project. I can't say it's a bad project, but basically, the protocol of BNB is literally copy-paste of Ethereum's network. So is it really special? Of course, the point here, they are using proof of stake. So let's see what it will be doing. Let's see how it will be performing. Let's see if it will be working good here. But you can still see, of course, we are in a clear uptrend. We're still looking pretty good here, bouncing up from the 0.236 here. There is a high possibility, guys. There's a high likelihood that we're going to create a momentum once again to the upside. So it looks like that we're finally bouncing, but once we're going higher, we're definitely going to create a bearish divergence. So do you want to be getting careful? Yes, I do think so, because once heading to newer highs, creating this bearish divergence can only push the price a little bit lower. I do think, yeah, there's still a likelihood that we're going to go a little bit higher, but at the end of the day, we're going to correct here. So, of course, very excited what BNB will be doing here. But is it smart to buy into right now? I don't think so. I think if you really want to buy into altcoins, I think, yeah, you want to be looking... I mean, if you're willing to buy BNB, you're willing to buy a safe coin. And I think... I don't think it's a good time to buy BNB right now. I would rather step into Ethereum at the moment because it looks... Even though Ethereum is also overextended, Ethereum is less overextended than the Binance coin right now. So, yeah, let's see what we'll be doing. Binance also forming a huge bearish divergence on the daily, guys. Please get careful. Don't buy the highs, buy the lows. And I do think that we're, yeah, imminently going to see a correction. But then, guys... Then I will be going into price action of ADA. Then I will be discussing the price action of ADA because, guys, we were discussing ADA early on as well. And the last 4 hours, exactly 4 hours, guys, is absolutely crushing for the price action of ADA. So what are we currently having? Are we going to see a new all-time high getting created anytime soon here? That will be, of course, absolutely amazing. But, guys, what we are currently still looking at here is these ascending triangle. So for the price action of ADA, we're still trading in the ascending triangle here. We're still consolidating, and we sometimes see these huge run-ups and, of course, then a big correction. So are we going to do the same? That will be very exciting. I do think that we, if we're heading towards higher levels, if we are heading towards the $1.46, guys, that will be the extreme important level that we have to be breaking, okay? That is an extremely important level that we have to be breaking. So are we going to break through it? That will be very important from my point of perspective, because if we're smashing through this level, guys, a $2 ADA is imminent. Let's see if we're going to see a $2 ADA anytime soon here, especially because Bitcoin is of course blasting up to the upside, guys. I mean, I do think ADA will be following as well, like we told early on as well. So let's see what it will be doing. I do think a correction from this level is imminent. I think it's very likely to see a correction from off this level because you can see previous very strong resistance will probably right now once again act as resistance. But if we're going to see 4-hourly candle close above this line here, if we're going to close the 4-hourly candle above this line and having a retest, guys, this is our one and only opportunity to make a sick gains here. Approximately a 25-26% trade in the pocket here. So if you are looking forward to it as well, just like I, make sure to smash up the likes right now, by the way, but also make sure to watch the channel, because once seeing this, of course, we will be trying to keep you guys up to date. We'll be also making a Discord notification while seeing this playing out here. But yeah, I do want to be seeing a breakthrough of this level before really opening a trade, guys. Let's see what it will be doing. But I feel extremely bullish about ADA. Maybe it can be consolidating for quite a while still. But the breakout will be coming here anytime soon here. So if you are right now in ADA, if you're in a position, you're probably doing a very good job here. But it is heading towards $5 in this coming bull run, in my opinion. Of course, you want to be making your own strategy. But holding ADA is never a bad job here. I think you're going to make insane gains. So looking forward to it already. And let's see what you guys are having. Why do I think we will be breaking out of the ascending triangle? I mean, let's see what we are going to do. But if we're going to see really a breakout of the ascending triangle, guys, that will be, of course, very insane, because that breakout will be pushing us towards the $2. And from the point where we are right now sitting at, $2 to move to the $2 is approximately a 41% move here. So it will be, of course, a very exciting move. And ADA currently sitting around P6 here. That will be another 20 to 25 billion added, and can be maybe pushing it back to P4. So let's see what it will be doing. Maybe it can even take out Binance Coin once again. So of course, I feel very excited about ADA, and it is even showing more volatility right now once we are watching it. So, guys, by the way, I see that we're currently watching with 1,100 viewers. It would be amazing if we can smash up the likes right now. Can we smash it up to 200 likes? We are exactly 19 likes away from the target, guys. Can we smash it up with another 19 likes? Would be amazing, guys. Smashing up that like button is only taking you a couple seconds, and the nice part about it is that you are helping your cryptocurrency space in general, because you're getting more people exposed to crypto. You are pushing this video while people are seeing this. They're seeing more cryptocurrency videos on their phone, on their PC, whatever, or whatever. So yeah, let's see if you can smash up the likes. Will be, of course, very amazing. So let me go. Let me know what you want me to look at. Let me know what you want me to look at, because I will be looking into every single chart that you are. Sorry, I will be trying to look into every single request that you are giving me right now. So it will be amazing, of course, if you can let me know what you want me to look at. So I see a lot of Cheryl, Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart. Oh, damn it, guys. By the way, thank you for notifying me, Cheryl, once again here. First was always looking at this this breakout target over here. And you were, of course, also notifying me. The Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart is looking extremely bullish. So this is the Cardano compared to Bitcoin chart. You can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed. And I mean, let me draw this correctly. It really depends on which chart you're looking for. Let me flip it to the 8 hour. Let me look at the 8 hour. So let's Let me see. In my chart, it's not really showing the significance. Oh, guys, damn it! I see so many requests coming in. Damn it, I did not know that we were going to see so many requests. But guys, basically what you can see here, Cardano compared to Bitcoin is bouncing off from this critical level. I do think that we're going to see a breakout. And just like the lower time frames right now, if I flip to the 4-hour, guys, I will be going into some requests. I see a lot of Litecoin coming in. So let me go into Litecoin in a second, guys. Let me go into Litecoin in a second. But you can see also over here on the Cardano compared to Bitcoin valuation, maybe creating a descending triangle. That will be better in my opinion. Descending triangle looks to be breaking out over here. Very nice breakout, and probably the target is sitting around the approximately around the. Another move to the upside from the point where we are right now. Let me see. That's approximately another 11% move compared to Bitcoin. So ATH is looking absolutely bullish, guys. But let me go into Litecoin. Make sure to not spam anymore in the chat, guys. I was not asking for a spam. So what are we currently seeing for the price section of Litecoin? Do I feel excited about it? Yes, I do feel absolutely excited about it, because I do think that we're going to see even more volatile getting created for Litecoin. Guys, you know our target, $304 US, and this trade is also absolutely crushing it, guys. We are trading recently, very nice. We are doing it all together, and if you want to be signing up as well, make sure to use the make sure to use the referral links in the description. You can be trading on Femex, you can be trading on Bybit, whatever you want, but of course make sure to do your own research and make sure to always trade at your own risk, because yes, trading has a certain risk attached to it, but we on the channel are always trying to minimize risk. And what you can see also with this Litecoin trade, guys, let me know for everyone who took this trade on the channel, let me know in the chat right now, because I do think a lot of people are on board of these trades. I see a lot of people posting wins in the Discord, guys. We are absolutely crushing it on the channel, but you can see symmetrical triangle breaking out. Perfect retest of the symmetrical triangle. After that, we showed the follow through, and look at these candles, guys. This is absolutely insane. We are heading higher and higher for Litecoin, and I don't think that we are done anytime soon here. We will be definitely moving up higher. And let me also flip onto this Fibonacci chart real quickly. Yeah, you can see we're extending more and more. And by the way, the $304 US is also coming together with the 2.618. So definitely think that will be major resistance, and also the price target of this breakout. So when are we going to reach it? I think it will be here very soon. It can be here in, let's say, 2 or 3 days. Looking forward to it. I think we're absolutely going to crush it. And this is, of course, since the breakout, approximately a trade of 43%. And we are taking these trades, guys. How lovely is it? And I mean, I'm only using a 5 or 10x, but still, that's still a 400 to 430% increase of your valuation. So very nice that we are taking these trades. Of course, using low leverage to minimize the risk, but we are absolutely crushing it. So unless you're also new to the channel and you're asking me, how do you see VeChain and GRT going? So let me first look at VeChain. I think VeChain is pretty overextended, but yeah, Bitcoin is pumping. So that is the reason why it is also fighting back here. As you can see, we were earlier discussing this level as well here. You can see here, previous resistance, flipped into support over here, and once again providing you the support. So what I think VeChain is overextended, but even though that it is overextended right now, it will be moving way higher. And the reason why here is because Bitcoin is dragging the market along here. The other altcoins that are pretty overextended can be still following Bitcoin. So yeah, there is a high likelihood that we're still going to see a correction, and we're going to create huge bearish divergences. So let's see what it will be doing. I don't feel that you have to be buying into VeChain right now, because I don't think it will be giving you necessarily the best gains that are possibly being made here right now on the channel. So yeah, VeChain is probably going to do very good here, which is going to create a lot of bearish divergences. So we should be very careful with VeChain. But however, if I look to the price chart of GUT, guys, I feel absolutely exciting. Just like ATH, we were discussing ATH already for a long period on the channel, guys. We'll be going into the chart as well here, but that one loop looks absolutely bullish as well. But GRT is pretty similar to ATH at the moment. So if you look to the GRT price section, guys, let me remove all the drawings. Real quickly. As you can see, we were in a huge downward sloping resistance line over here. We broke through it. We started a new trend to the upside. And right now, the lovely part about this, I think that GRT is going to go absolutely parabolic, guys. If you are not exposed to GRT yet here, make sure to do it, because it looks, for me, that we're going to see an insane follow through. And first of all, why I'm saying this, because maybe you're saying, Rover, you're basing this up on absolutely thin air. Why are you saying this? Why are you saying that GRT is going to moon, guys? I will be right away giving you my arguments, because I have multiple arguments. And let's start with my beginning. So we are here, of course. First, if you look to the price section, and if you look to the market structure of GRT, it went parabolic. And after parabolic run up, you usually see good consolidation. So consolidation already going on for approximately 61 days, and that's quite a lot of consolidation going on here on the daily, on the weekly. Cooled off, daily candles cooled off, daily RSI cooled off, momentum cooled down here. We're ready for next leg up here. So first, critical downward sloping resistance line getting broken. And what we can be seeing right now, guys, is that you create a low. You create lower lows the whole time. And what can you see over here? Clear the low, and higher low is getting created. And the most important part here is, as you can see, you create a high over here, but you create a higher high. So you are starting a new uptrend, and this is, of course, looking absolutely bullish. And also, if I flip on to the MACD, guys, if I flip out to the MACD, and if I do it to the daily candles, guys, what you can be seeing here is not a thing that you can't just ignore. So since this downward sloping momentum phase started, you can see the momentum is cooling off from the downside. So there is more buying pressure coming back and back to the market. So you can see basically how the trend is basing, and the trend is to the upside. Momentum is coming back for the price action of GRT. Do I feel very excited about it? Yes, I feel extremely excited about it. Do I think it will be setting new all-time highs? Yes, I do think so. And I also think that we're going to go absolutely parabolic once again here. So it can maybe take a while, but you will be definitely happy if you're buying into GUT right now here. So make sure to remember that, just like we called XRP, just like we are calling some other coins, I definitely think GRT is looking extremely bullish. And I think if you want to be adding a coin on your holding position for the coming bull run, for the coming, let's say 2 or 3 months here, and you want to be making good gains, I think GRT is one of them. I think GRT has to be one of them. So get to $3 GRT. Yeah, definitely. I think $3 is easy for GRT to be in reach. So that's also a new all-time high getting created, and of course already going to the previous all-time high is looking particularly good here. So then I see a lot of people asking me, but what do you think about the price action of ATH? So ATH has similar structure in my opinion. You can see the structure to form ATH. To the downside, we are breaking this downward sloping resistance line, finding support on it, and this is already a good thing because this is the major downward sloping resistance line that was holding us back. We were setting lower highs each and every time. The trend was basically to the downside. But what are we doing right now? We're setting a low. We're setting a higher low. But at the moment, currently, I do feel very excited about it. But we are still willing. We still have to set a higher high than this previous high over here because yes, we are seeing bullish price action. Yes, we're seeing higher lows getting created. Yes, we're seeing some kind of a consolidation pattern, some kind of a symmetrical triangle right now playing out on the price action of ATH. So I feel very excited where it is heading towards. And just like Uniswap is also performing good, I do think that the DeFi sector in general and the Ethereum-based coins will be performing and bouncing back anytime soon here. So yeah, I do feel very excited about it. Let's see what it will be doing. But I think ATH is also a coin that also consolidated for quite a while, having a parabolic run-up, consolidation right now playing out. I do think that we're going to see exponential gains here. And I can already tell you guys on the channel, I am currently also in a minor position here on ATH, already in pretty okay profits from here on. Entered already a trade because I am willing to ride this one to new all-time highs. And I do think, guys, like I told you before, I think ATH will be crushing for the all-time high very quick in a very rapid pace, and that's already a move of 48%. So do I look forward to it? Yes, absolutely. Do I feel excited about the price action of ATH? Yes. And do I think it's worth it to buy into it right now? And that's also a yes. So how is ARRR looking in your opinion? Pirate coin. So I mean, I don't really. This probably is such a small project, and I mean, although it's sitting at P228, so I mean, I don't like this. I don't like this already. What do you think about it? I think it's overextended. So I don't really like these fast run-ups here because it can also correct very quickly. It's probably getting pretty overextended. So I don't really know a lot about it. It just recently came to be looking towards us. So previously the volume was very low. So can this be a pump and dump scenario? Yes, it can be. So I'm staying away from it. I don't really like it, to be honest. I mean, I did my research, so I really can't give my opinion about it. But guys, by the way, if you haven't followed me already, make sure to also follow me on TikTok. I recently, let me go into the Discord channel. Recently also make a TikTok account here. It's pretty cringe, but if you want to be seeing some cringe videos, make sure to go to my TikTok account. Will be of course very amazing. Crypto Rover just started it off. Will be amazing if you're following me over here. So I mean, 630 views. Thank you so much. This video is quite exciting. I can't do it right now because otherwise I get. Make sure to just check my TikTok out. Would be amazing if we can do so. Right now, 51 followers. Let's see if we can push it up to 100. I definitely think we can work together. So, Crypto Rover on YouTube would be amazing if you're following me over there. But let's go into the next request. Let me go into the next request. What you guys have. So, Dean Harvey also in the channel. Thank you for tuning in once again here. You are saying, Rover, I did not got a YouTube notification. How long have you been live? I'm currently live for 36 minutes, but that's pretty weird that you did not got a YouTube notification because I also notified in the Discord server. It's pretty weird. I don't know how it's working, but I can't do anything about it. I'm sorry, Dean. But I also sent out 3 messages in the Discord. So I'm sorry that I did not notify you. So Dimitri also donated to the channel. You're saying, can you check AVEX, Rover? For me and Quinton. So let me check AVEX for you and Quinton. Hopefully I'm going to make you guys very happy. In the end of the day, that's my the thing that I want to be doing here on the channel. So let me see what we're currently having. So we were earlier on looking for AVEX for a symmetrical triangle breakout. So you can see downward sloping resistance line getting formed, upward sloping support line getting formed. But here we can see breakout was created. We faked out. We jumped back right away into the pattern. If we're close to 2 minutes, we're going to see a new 4 hourly close, if I say it correctly. So let me go into Bitcoin in a second after this one. So we're going to witness the 4 hourly close. Oh no, the 4 hourly close is still 1 hour and 2 minutes away. But today we're definitely going to see the 4 hourly close coming in play. But guys, because of the times are shifting over the world, these closes also shifted for me. So still getting used to it. But as you can see here for AVEX, we had this fake out to the upside. So let's see what we're going to do right now. I do think this was a pretty clear breakout. And maybe if you draw it like this, guys, this is better. If I just connect the bodies, if I connect the bodies over here, you can see AVEX breaking to the upside, having this move to the downside getting created, and then finding support on the previous resistance line. Because yes, this line was pretty significant on the resistance. So let's see what it will be doing. I do feel very excited about the price chart. I do think it's showing us the significance that is probably going to create more volatility. So let's see what it will be doing. I do feel I feel very excited. I do feel very excited about this chart. Let's see if it can be moving up towards our price target of approximately around the $45. So can be seeing a pretty significant pump to the upside. So also Sam, keep donating to the channel. You're saying holo news. Please explain it. I'm holding it. You're asking me for news. I have not read anything about holo yet. I just came home. I did some reading today, but not about holo. I don't know what the news is doing, but guys, we will be discussing the charts today. If you want me to do a special fundamental research video, I can do it, but I can't really give you what the news is because I will be not doing the news live in the stream. Of course, some articles I can be discussing, but yeah, we are basically doing a lot of TA on the channel. So for holo, what you can currently have, I can be checking holo for you. I do think holo is getting way too overextended, and this is also the reason why you can see is already cooling off, having a downward sloping resistance line. It looks pretty bearish for me. It looks like maybe it's forming some kind of a falling wedge, guys. This can be, of course, still pretty bullish. Let's see what it will be doing, but I don't necessarily see this chart being extremely bullish. So, of course, downward sloping resistance line getting formed, downward sloping support line getting formed, and it's going to see a breakout anytime soon here. It's going to break out to the upside, would be amazing, but I do think, I mean, yeah, falling wedges are usually breaking to the upside, so yeah, there's a high likelihood that we are going back towards the 2.6 cents here, but still think it's way too overextended. So let's see what it will be doing. A bounce to the upside will be probably a dead cat bounce here if we're only going towards this level, and that will be only signifying that we're having a bigger leg down getting created. So I want to be careful with holo. Even though good news is coming out, it's very hard. Even though that good news is coming out, if a chart is overextended, it will be probably not pumping to new all-time highs. So I want to be careful with this coin. So OCD also asking me, what are your thoughts on Valcoin? Yeah, Valcoin is performing recently pretty good. Let me flip on to the chart. So just like I was talking about holo chain, I think look at this market structure. It is going up and up, and is going in a rapid pace. In the end, it is going parabolic. And once having a parabolic stage, you're also going to cool off. And here you cooled off pretty significantly. And this is also, like I told you before, this looks like a dead cat bounce. So what do I think about it? Yeah, we are having a move to the downside getting created. Then you bounce to the upside, but not having a significant bounce. If I flip onto the Fibonacci, let me see this. Look at this. I want to give you an opinion. I want to say something to you. I want to learn you once again something. A dead cat bounce is usually once you're going from a top to a dump, and you're only bouncing to the 0.5. So you're not having enough strength to go higher, and you're only bouncing to the 0.5. Is basically saying for me and saying to the charts that we're probably going to see another leg down getting created. So this is a dead cat bounce that we are seeing. So what do I think will be happening here is that we're going to set a lower low, in my opinion. So what do I think about Valcoin? I mean, yeah, the fundamentals can be very good, but if I just purely looked at this chart, I'm not taking Bitcoin in consideration right now. If I purely look at this chart, I do think that we're going to create a lower low, and it's not looking particularly good. But yes, we are also looking at the current situation, and at the current situation, you can see Bitcoin pumping to new all-time highs. And once Bitcoin is pumping to new all-time highs, guys, we recently we learned from that. But once the Bitcoin is pumping to new all-time highs, it's just dragging the market along. And I don't see a reason why Valcoin won't be dragged along. So let's see what it will be doing. I feel very excited about it once I'm thinking about what Bitcoin is going to do, because Bitcoin will be, of course, carrying the market. Maybe we're forming some kind of a symmetrical triangle, guys. Maybe this can be pushing up the price once again here, looking like clear touches on the top side, clear touches on the lower sides. Not the most beautiful symmetrical triangle, to be honest. But let's see what it will be doing. But guys, we just opened a new 1 hourly candle. Very excited. And guys, exactly 57 minutes before closing a new 4 hourly candle. So we will be witnessing the 4 hourly close together on the channel. Guys, are you looking forward to it? Let me know right away in the chat. Let me know right away in the chat what you think, what Bitcoin is going to do in the next hour. Are we going to set a new all-time high in the next hour? I don't think that we're going to do so, to be honest. Of course, it will be here anytime soon here. I do think that we can be setting a new all-time high in the stream live here, because it looks like very bullish consolidation. You're having a leg up here, a bullish consolidation, probably going to see another leg up getting created. So, yes, I do think that we can be seeing it, and especially on the new 4 hourly close. Once again, a very bullish close if we're going to close it over here, the 4 hour. Looking like a pretty nice consolidation pattern, consolidation candle. And let's see what we'll be doing here. It will be amazing if we can push up a little bit more on this 1 hourly candle to close this 4 hourly candle at the high. So let's see what we'll be doing, guys. Let me know if you think that we can be setting a new all-time high in this hour, or maybe on the next 4 hourly candle. I do think the next 4 hourly candle can be pretty good for that, of course. So, guys, quickly taking a sip of my coffee. It's already got cold, so that's really unfortunate. What do you think about tomorrow? This is a very good question. Yellow Sun, what do you think tomorrow will be doing with Coinbase once they are launching on Nasdaq? Green market or red? I mean, that's pretty excited. I don't think the market will be really taking a big hit from it. What I do think, I think that the stocks of Coinbase are going to absolutely go sky high. I do think the markets can be pretty green. The markets can be pretty green. Of course, the only problem here is that once it's coming on the market, big players can be shorting it. But I think, yeah, the hype around crypto is so big here that I don't think that people are going to short it. Because why should you short against the trend? I do think it's very exciting and a very good thing to do. So cold coffee still bangs. I mean, cold coffee is definitely lovely. I mean, I drink cold coffee all the day long. So also, Phoenix donating to the channel. You're saying, hey, Rover, when should I open a Bitcoin long position in your opinion? So, thank you for supporting the channel, first of all. But this is, once again, a very hard thing to say because, guys, on the channel, I don't want to be wrecking you guys. I want to be making money altogether, and that is the reason why I'm saying, why I'm always saying to try and enter trades at the lows. And of course, that's the best strategy what you can be doing here. But yeah, what you're right now doing, if you're willing to enter a long position on Bitcoin, I mean, yeah, you're entering at all-time highs, and I don't think that's a good thing to do. I don't think, even though I do think it's very likely that Bitcoin is going to create a new all-time high anytime soon here. You're already opening your Bitcoin long position at very high stages. So yes, my only call what I will be giving you is if we are going to see a correction, yeah, then you can be entering your position. But do I think it's likely to get a correction from here on? No, I don't think that we're going to create a massive rejection because there is a lot of buying pressure. A lot of people are willing to step in the market right now. So I don't think that we're necessarily going to see a cool period getting started. But yeah, as you can see here, the highest for hourly candle close previously is sitting around the 61.4K. And that is definitely a target that you can be entering your long position. But do I think it's likely to get filled? No, I don't think that's completely likely to get filled. I do think you're probably getting ignored on this entry. But yeah, it's very hard to give you an exact entry what is likely to get reached right now because I do think follow-through is about to get created. You can be maybe entering a trade with, let's say, a 5x leverage or a 3x leverage, because what you can be doing here if you're opening a 5x leverage trade. And this was a thing that I was doing already for my personal account for a long period of time, guys. Like I told you before, I've told everyone this so many times, because once you are trading, I think it's very important to have a good trading strategy as well with you, because having a good trading strategy is always making you a better trader, in my opinion. So what is my trading strategy? Let's say I am willing, really. Let's say I'm going to FOMO into a trade. What should I do if I want to be FOMOing into a trade, guys? That is very important. So first of all, let's say you have a certain amount of money. You're going to enter with 20% right here with a 5x leverage. I should not use a big leverage, but what you can be doing, let's say you're entering over here. Once falling, you will be entering more And if I don't see it happening, but once falling even further, you will be adding more and more to your position. So you are riding the market to the upside, because it's likely to see an upside momentum wave getting started once again for Bitcoin. So you're already in a trade. But if we're necessarily going to go lower, you're just filling in more trades, so you're averaging in on a very nice price. So this is my strategy that I was using here in the consolidation for Bitcoin. So I was entering over here, and I mean, yeah, my strategy was I was entering over here exactly at the bottom, of course. But if we were getting lower, I was only adding more and more to my position. But what I did in the end of the day, I was adding more on the drop-offs. So I was already in very good profits, but I was adding more and more to my drop-offs. So my average entry is right now sitting around the I have multiple trades open, but let's say for this trade, my average entry is right now sitting around the 55k. So of course entered way lower and added more and more to my position. So what will I be doing for this trade for the people that are curious right now? Yeah, I will be looking to enter more and add more to my position, but I will be only doing it on significant drop-offs. I will be not doing it right here because I don't think it's a smart decision to do so. So yeah, maybe on the retest of the previous all-time high, it's definitely worth to add some more to my position, but at the moment I don't see a good place to do so. So I think that's a very good trading strategy here, because in the end of the day, you're not getting liquidated, you're not getting wrecked, and I think that is for me the proven strategy that is working. So by the way, if you want to be trading as well here, make sure to use the referral links in the description. It will be amazing if you're doing so, because you are getting some amazing bonuses as well. So I see also, let me know what your trading strategy is right now in the chat. Let me know what your trading strategy is. But first, I see a donation coming in from Alessio. You're asking, thanks for the great content. Thanks for the great TA. Can you check out Keva and Comp? We'll want to be discussing Bitcoin as well here, but I will be discussing Comp for you. Let me quickly look at Comp for you. So Comp, what are we having here? Let me flip to the 4-hourly candles. We'll be discussing. See, Ethereum is setting a new all-time high. Let me go into Ethereum in a second. I mean, Ethereum is absolutely crushing it right now. So, what are we having with this with Comp? So, I was discussing this coin for quite a while already, and what I was discussing here is basically that we are in a consolidation pattern for this one as well. So, you can see exponential run to the upside getting created, and then it consolidated for quite a while here. So, we will be seeing volatile. Yes, I do think it's likely to see some volatile getting created anytime soon. Bearish divergence was created over here. You can see bearish divergence was created. It's bouncing between these levels. So buying opportunity sitting around to $333. Sell opportunity sitting around to 557 US dollars. But yeah, once really crushing through this level, guys, if we're going to close the daily candle above this line, we will be absolutely mooning for this coin. Looking forward to it already. But let me also flip onto the MACD. And we'll be also going into Ethereum in a second, guys. I see so many people talking about Ethereum right now. Of course, setting a new all-time high, always lovely to see. But you can see the daily candles is right now starting a new momentum to the upside. So here we cooled off, but right now it looks like that we are starting a new wave to the upside. So we're setting higher lows, higher highs. So it's looking particularly good in the momentum indicator. MACD is right now flipping also pretty bullish. Here we almost have a bearish crossover, to be honest. But it can be curving once again to the upside. And if we're going to curve over here, we're also setting a higher low once again. And I do think it's likely to see a curve to the upside getting created because of Bitcoin also performing so well here. So I feel very excited about this one. But first, let me go back to Ethereum, guys. Also, congratulations for all the Ethereum holders. For everyone who's already holding Ethereum for such a long period of time, just like me, we're just doing an insane good job here. Looking forward to see where this is heading towards. So, nameless name donated as well. Pretty weird name, right? But donated as well to the channel. What do you think about AEOZ on the Binance Smart Chain? Crypto YouTube, only 90 million market cap. I mean, I don't know the project. I mean, there are so many projects recently getting launched, guys. It's very hard for me to look at every single project and keep an eye out on it. So yeah, it's sitting at a pretty low market cap. I don't really know about it. There's not a lot of volume traded on it. And guys, I think, of course, I like the Binance Smart Chain, but you have to be careful because there are a lot of scam projects on the Binance Smart Chain. That's the thing that is making me feel pretty bearish on the Binance Smart Chain. So I don't know what this coin is doing. I'm not saying that this coin is a scam at all. So I'm sorry. I don't mean to say that. But let's see what it is doing. I don't know, man. I don't know. Market. Let me see if it is on Trading View. It is not Trading View, unfortunately. But yeah, you want to be doing your own research. Maybe I always make screenshots of these coins, guys. I always make screenshots of these coins to look at it into it after the streams, etc. Because I also bought in some other coins that you guys requested me. So yeah, let me look into it after the stream. But maybe it can give us some very good returns. Crypto Rover, how do you trade altcoins? Don't they just follow Bitcoin for the most part? I mean, yeah, you can see it once again. Yeah, usually altcoins are following Bitcoin, but look at this. look at ADA. Is it following Bitcoin? Yes, of course, Bitcoin is spiking to the upside. But no, it does not really necessarily has to follow Bitcoin. Look at the like Litecoin is looking also particularly good. So what I usually do once trading altcoins, guys, I first look at the altcoins and I look at the coin, I look at the chart, and after that I'm looking at the Bitcoin chart. So if Bitcoin looking extremely bearish, of course, I'm not looking to trade the altcoins. And just like I told you before on the trades, guys, I was telling everyone I'm only going to trade Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is really going to decide this direction to the upside, I will be trading altcoins. So that was also the strategy what I'm doing here. And Bitcoin is right now really deciding his direction. So is it smart to trade altcoins right now? I do think there will be a lot of altcoins, altcoin gains here for the coming days. So I think it's a good time to be trading your altcoins right now. Because once Bitcoin is dropping off, there can be a possibility that some money is flowing back into altcoins. Because yeah, everyone is willing to step into the market right now, guys. So I think that I want to be asking from you guys, because we're currently having 1,300, guys. We're having 1,300 viewers right now. Absolutely insane for everyone who's right now tuning in here. Thank you so much for watching to the channel. But guys, I want to be asking you one thing here, because if you want to be helping the channel out here, please make sure to smash up the likes. It will be, of course, very amazing, because if we can be smashing up the likes of 500 likes, that would be amazing. And the lovely part about it is that hitting that like button is completely for free, and if you want to get a subscription to the channel as well, is also completely free. And we are doing this every single day, guys. And that is, of course, it's really motivating me if you guys are smashing up the likes. So it would be, of course, very amazing if we can do it right away here. Also, let's see if we can be reaching the 31.8k maybe today. We are already very close to the 31.7k. So if you haven't already got your subscription, make sure to do so right now, because it's completely free, and we are doing this, of course, every single day. So are you in XRP trade? Yes, I'm in a minor XRP trade. So people are all saying this bearish divergence on weekly. Yes, I know. There's a bearish divergence on Bitcoin on the daily and the weekly. And that's the thing, of course, that we want to keep an eye out on. And yes, there's a bearish divergence on the weekly as well, but you can see we were looking at this ascending triangle here on the weekly getting formed as well for Bitcoin, and you can see we are seeing the breakup, but we are also creating a bearish divergence. So let's see what it will be doing. I don't think this is necessarily bad, and I do think, of course, it's a bad thing to see a bearish divergence on the weekly playing out here, but I don't think it will be pushing the price lower for Bitcoin. So let's see what it will be doing. Almost invalidating the bearish divergence already from this one. So, of course, if you look at the bigger picture, we still have a huge bearish divergence. But, yeah, momentum is cooling off. But right now it looks like we are picking up once again. So, yeah, let's see what we'll be doing. Let's see what we will be doing, guys. Very excited, of course. On the daily, we're still creating a bearish divergence. But we're probably going to invalidate this one very quickly. So, yeah, let's see what we'll be doing. Subscribe. Thank you so much for your subscription. Pi cycle, is it real? I'm a bit worried. Guys. I've been talking so many times about the Pi cycle indicator, and people are getting freaking worried. People are getting freaking worried where we are seeing, in the meantime, where people are not buying into Bitcoin because they are looking at the calculation from 4 years ago. You are willing to look at the calculation where Bitcoin, they're trying to make a calculation to call the top, because people are willing to sell the highs and buy. I mean, people are willing to buy low and sell high. That's, of course, the best strategy that you can have. But it sounds so easy. So there's an indicator called Pi cycle top indicator. And people, of course, we already have the crossover, if I say it correctly, on the Pi cycle top indicator. And people are saying, okay, we have the top right now. But guys, that is a calculation based on the previous price action on Bitcoin. And of course, yes, Bitcoin tends to repeat itself. But once all the retailers are selling right now, people are selling their Bitcoin, but the prices are going higher. What does it mean? There's still a lot of interest. And the point here is the Pi cycle indicator was not counting on this huge institutional wave here, because that is what we're currently having here. We are having an insane institutional wave here. We have MicroStrategy buying up all these Bitcoins. We have, of course, Tesla announcing that you can buy your Tesla with your Bitcoins, that they have added Bitcoins to their sheet. Guys, it's absolutely bullish. And also they're right now going on some rumors about Walmart buying $1 billion into Bitcoin. Guys, it's absolutely insane what we're currently having. So do I think the Pi cycle is a thing to look at? Of course, I don't think it's a bad thing to look at. You want to be looking at every single scenario. But do I think it will be playing out? Do I think this is the top? No. We are not even near to the top, guys. We're not even near to the top. There's so many gains to be made, and I always am saying this. I want to be staying realistic on the channel. I don't want to be saying that we're going towards 600k or 500k in this coming cycle, because we're probably not going to do so. Because I think we're heading towards the 100/120 in this cycle. But I mean, yes, I will be also adding more to my. I will be also setting up a little bit once we're reaching the 100k. But the biggest amount of my portfolio will be not sending over there because I think 100k is a very good take profit area for me. But yeah, oh, I think the stream is. Oh, okay, everything is still working. Sorry, on my screen it was saying that the stream was disconnected. So hopefully everything is still working. Doing a quick checkup as well. But guys, I don't think this is the top yet here. And for me, the 100k was my selling target. And it will be definitely taking some profits over there. But I do think we're absolutely going to crush through that level as well here. I do think that we're going to go through that level. And the reason why here is because this time it's different. And the reason why I'm saying this time is different is because we're having an economic crisis laying around the corner, guys. They are printing money like crazy. The Federal Reserve is printing money like crazy. The M2 money stock is not even showing how much money they are printing because we will be freaking out once we're seeing it. We are freaking out once they are seeing how much money they are printing, and of course, it is absolutely insane. They're printing so much money. It's not doable anymore. So the reason why I do think Bitcoin can go way higher is because we're probably going to see an economic crisis. So guys, the reason I see also some donation coming in, give me a second here real quickly because as you can see as well here, the US dollar index is down with the uptrend. So the US dollar index is right now correcting once again. So this is pretty exciting what we are having. Hopefully we can see another leg down getting created because this is also pushing the Bitcoin price a little bit higher. So very excited to see, of course, right it's trading at around 92. So let's see if it can be pushing a little bit lower because, yeah, you can see here the 4-hourly showing a big red candle and Bitcoin, of course, seeing a big green candle. So that is the reason why Bitcoin also is pumping a little bit here, liquidating these shorts. Yeah, I'm laughing to all these shorts, guys. I'm laughing to all the short traders. But the only problem what we are currently having right now is that so many people are in very good profits, and that's the reason why we have to pay a lot of funding fees because we have to pay it. That's pretty unfortunate. But let me look at Wookie Winner donating to the channel. You're saying, have you heard about charity coin being us? Seems to be big on Reddit. Crypto moonshots right now, but the price dipped today. Should I sell? I mean, I've not heard about it. I mean, guys, the problem here, Bing us. I don't see Bing us. Charity coin. I don't see Bing us here sitting on the coin market cap, so that's already a thing that I don't like here. I mean, you want to be careful because if there are coins getting pumped on Reddit or so, they can be also very good scam coins because you want to be careful. You want to be careful. There are also so many impersonators of me, so please never. I will be never asking you to send your bitcoins to me, so please don't do so. But yeah, Wookie, I don't really know. I don't really know. It's very hard to give my opinion about it, but maybe it's here on TradingView. No, it's also not on TradingView, so that's pretty unfortunate. But please be careful. Do your research, but should you sell, then you're probably panic selling. So look at the possibilities where it can be heading towards. But always, in my opinion, I'm not looking to buy these stupid projects. Maybe it's not a stupid project, but I mean, I already see it. It's not coin market cap. It's not really, no institution is investing in it. And I want to be buying coins that institutions can be investing in, or that big players can be investing in, because I want to be making money from them. So, I mean, also with Wall Street bets, etc., you want to be careful with these things, guys. So, Nahem is donating to the channel. You're saying, sitting on the sidelines, any trades for me in the altcoins. So, are there any trades possibilities? Yeah, we were discussing a lot of possibilities already. But let me see for a coin that you can be trading. Let me look at Untitled Finance real quickly. No, this coin is maybe going to provide you the opportunity anytime soon here, because we're once again having this retest of this top side ascending triangle getting in the make right now. There are a lot of opportunities maybe in ATH or GRT that you can be looking at right now, because I think GRT and ATH will be probably going to trade a lot of vol through. So yeah, for the price section of Untitled Finance, do want to be seeing this breakthrough of the top side before absolutely opening our big trades on this one, because yes, guys, Untitled Finance is also be tradable here on FEMX, so I will be looking to trade that one as well here. Maybe in the immediate short term, you can see some kind of a falling wedge getting created. So let's see what it will be breaking towards. I do think that we're going to see probably big follow through getting created. Looking forward to it. Maybe we're also already going to break out right now. So maybe in the immediate short term, if I look at the 4-hourly candles on Untitled Finance, it is providing you a buying opportunity. It's providing you a trading opportunity to accumulate your long position. So looking forward to it, Nahem, but any trades for you, don't always necessarily have to be in a trade. But we were giving so many opportunities recently for Bitcoins. We were discussing so many trade opportunities, and for everyone who were taking them on Bitcoin or on XRP, you are of course crushing it already. But Nahem, of course, once we're seeing a good opportunity for a coin, we will be definitely discussing this live in stream. But yeah, If you look at GRT, and the reason why I'm saying GRT is a very good opportunity, what you're currently right now getting here is because we're seeing this breakthrough of this resist line right now playing out on a daily. And you can also see the previous resistance right now flipping into support. So that is the reason why I'm saying this. It's definitely worth it. And Dean Harvey saying in the chat, thanks Rover for the XRP pick. A great pickup you have done. Great pick. Have you done Link already? So sorry for me reading so badly, but no, I have not discussed Link. So I will be going into Link after this one as well. But first, I see Dylan donate to the channel. You're saying, can you check ETHO on coin market cap? So yeah, of course, Ether 1. I see a lot of people talking about this recently. So there's probably a lot of hype around it right now. So this coin having a huge run up here, of course, I do get why there's hype around it, because once you're seeing such an increasement in price, people are yeah, very interested in it. So right away, we'll be saying this. Market cap, 6.8 million. Volume, extremely low. I will be staying away from it. I don't know what the fundamentals are exactly. Yeah, you do want to be doing your own research, but if I just looked at the charts purely, it's not showing me a very good sign to buy into. The volume is pretty low, where the prices are increasing pretty significantly. Yes, the market cap is also low. That's the reason why the volume is relatively low. So yeah, let's see what we are going to do. I don't know anything about this coin. But guys, you want to be getting careful, because yeah, I mean, you're buying coins at high, so I don't like to buy coins at such huge run-ups. But yeah, if the fundamentals are really good, you can be buying into it. But I don't think the volume is that high for the market cap over here. I don't think the volume is that high if you compare it to such a huge run-up here. You can see insane spikes in prices, but the volume is not really that high. So want to be getting careful. You want to be careful. So let me look, guys. Let me look at the price action of Chainlink, because just like we were seeing with some other coins, we were looking. Of course, we are always looking on the channel, guys. If you're not familiar with the channel yet, what I like to do here is buy into coins that haven't exploded yet here. That's the thing that I like to do here on the channel. I like to buy coins that haven't exploded yet, and coins that can still give us insane returns. And talking about the coin, I have to give it to you. It will be Chainlink. A coin that haven't exploded yet here, in my opinion, is Chainlink, and will be giving us insane returns. Yes, it will. And will we be seeing a 60 or 70 US dollar Chainlink anytime soon? Yes, probably. I do think it can be here in the coming 2 weeks, because Chainlink looks to be, yeah, of course, exploding here anytime soon. So the reason why I'm saying that is first of all, the reason why I'm saying this is because the Ethereum, the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart is looking extremely bullish. And I see also donation coming in for Wookie once again. So give me a second, Wookie. We'll be going into your recommendation in a second. But yeah, if you look to the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys, you can see here, downward sloping resistance line getting formed, upward sloping support line getting formed. Beautiful symmetrical triangle, aka getting formed here in the price section of Chainlink compared to Bitcoin. And guys, where do you want to be looking at once you're trading an altcoin? You want to be looking which coin will be performing better compared to Bitcoin, because in the end of the day, I am here to make more gains in Bitcoin, because my end goal, the end game for me here, is accumulate the most amount of Bitcoin. And how will I be doing it? I will be doing it using altcoins. So Chainlink is definitely one that is big right now in my portfolio, and I shifted out of some other coins, bought back into Chainlink. And I told you already for the last 3 days, guys, on the channel. And if you're not familiar yet, you can still do it right now. If you're not exposed to Chainlink right now, you have definitely still the opportunity to do it right now. And I mean, I'm talking already for such a long period of time on the channel about Chainlink. And I feel very, very excited about it, because especially we are so close to the apex. And guys, this breakout already can be giving you a return of approximately 81%. And I mean, Chainlink is always moving in cycles. Right now, it had a big run up here. It corrected pretty significantly compared to Bitcoin, at least. A Bitcoin blasting off Chainlink, not doing very interesting things here. But people are going out of Chainlink because it is not doing anything. But I think right now is the time to get exposed to Chainlink, because you want to be buying. I think Chainlink is right now literally a sleeping giant, guys. It is sleeping, but it is absolutely going to explode. And even though in the US dollar chart, it's still looking particularly healthy. In the US dollar chart, it looks pretty healthy in my opinion, but it's definitely here to have an insane spike to the upside getting formed anytime soon, guys. I think Chainlink is a coin that you want to get exposed to, especially if we're going to break through the top side here of the 35 US dollars approximately. In the US dollar chart, that would be amazing. But the main chart that I'm looking at right now is the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart. It is absolutely giving me the opportunity right now to buy at a very nice price. And guys, yeah, you have to know it, write it down, or do some research about it yourself. But yeah, if you look to the Chainlink cycles, I think is right now such a good buying opportunity. And I know it already, guys. I think once I'm saying it's a good buying opportunity, I'm not saying that Chainlink is going to see a $50 Chainlink in just a matter of a few days or so. I'm saying this more in terms of, let's say, 2 or 3 weeks here. So I do think if we're looking to the chart of Chainlink compared to Bitcoin right now, and if we're going to look at it in 2 weeks, I do think that we will be sitting at way higher levels. And you can make a very good gain. So what is this basically telling me? I think this is telling me that we can be seeing a leg up getting created, and that you can be making some more gains compared to Bitcoin. So I'm already big exposed to Chainlink. Do I think it's worth it? If you are not exposed yet, yes, definitely I think it's worth it. So let me go to the request from Wookie, because you are saying, I heard CoinGecko for Bing Us, sorry. So let me go to CoinGecko real quickly, because yeah, sometimes not everything is listed on CoinMarketCap, but let me go to Bing Us. Oh, it's not over here as well. So I heard CoinGecko for Bing Us. Let me see if it's reached 2,500. So once it's going to reach 2,500. So maybe I will just wait. Probably panic selling. Thoughts you are right. So I mean, yeah, I don't really know the project, but usually what I'm doing with coins, if I really like the fundamentals, I don't really care if we're going to see a 30% correction or so. I will be just sitting on it. I will be just waiting till I'm going to see the gains to be made here. So I'm not really rushing into anything, my friend. But yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Hopefully it's getting listed anytime soon here, because it seems to be a very low project. Yeah, let's see what it will be doing. Hopefully you're going to make some good gains on it, my friend. So then we are also seeing Thomas Basio donating to the channel. And you're saying when it will be having a bigger correction, after April or May. When it will be giving a bigger correction after April or May. So Thomas, what are you talking about? Which coin? Which coin are you talking about? Are you talking about Chainlink? Are you talking about Chainlink, Thomas? So let me know real quickly in the chat. Please let me know. So Karsten also donating to the channel. Thank you for your £1 donation. So yeah, let's go back in Bitcoin. But let me know, Thomas, where are you talking about? When it will be giving a bigger correction, April or May? Are you talking about Bitcoin? I do think you're talking about Bitcoin. I don't think April will be necessarily a bad month for Bitcoin, because yes, we also, guys, you have to know it. We were anticipating this for such a long period of time already on the channel, that Bitcoin is going to move to new all-time highs. We were talking about the CME futures betting on an 80k Bitcoin for the month of April. So do I think that we're going to see a correction? Oh, you're talking about Ethereum compared to Bitcoin. So Thomas, let me go into it in a second. But yeah, for Bitcoin, I don't think that we're going to see a correction in April. But for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart, I don't really see a correction coming in here anytime soon as well. And guys, by the way, I've not even seen this. I've not even seen this to where we were seeing this live in the stream, guys. So Thomas, you're asking me, when are we going to see a correction for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart? Do I think it? Do I think we're going to see this correction coming in here? No. And I see Dean Harvey, you were saying, Roper, you missed the Crypto.com super chat. I will be going into it in a second. Give me a moment. But first, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation, guys. What you can currently see here, I don't think that we're necessarily going to move lower. And the reason why as well here is, guys, I do think Ethereum will be taking a blast off to the upside, because as you can see over here, downward sloping resistance line, you are crushing through it with the 1 yearly candle. And you're seeing a perfect retest playing out here. So I do definitely think that we're going to see more volatility to the upside getting created, guys. Absolutely beautiful to see. No, I don't think that we're necessarily going to see a breakdown for the Ethereum compared to Bitcoin valuation. And the reason why here is because if I zoom out here, you can see we are seeing a correction getting started, a rejection from the previous resistance level, you're breaking above it, and you're finding support on it. So will we be bouncing to the upside? Yes, we will. When it will be happening, I don't know for sure. But it looks like that we're probably going to see the breakout right now happening in this exact hour. We are already confirming the retest, but right now Bitcoin is moving higher, as I can see, and Ethereum is not following that significantly. So this 1 hourly candle creating a big wick on the lower side. I definitely feel extremely bullish on Ethereum, and it's probably going to see a nice spike to the upside getting created. So Dean Harvey, you were saying I missed the Crypto.com super chat. Let me know. Let me quickly look back into it, who it exactly was here. Because let me first quickly look at this here. Yeah, momentum is still basically the upside for Bitcoin. On the 1 hourly candles, it's looking particularly good. But let me see. Did I miss the super chat of Crypto.com? That's not ever a good thing. Once I'm missing a super chat, I feel very horrible. So sorry for the one who donated to me. Still thank you. I don't know how it is, because I can't see it anymore, because it's probably way too long ago. So I'm so sorry, but let me go into Crypto.com for you, my friend, because yes, on the channel we are absolutely loving Crypto.com. So what are we currently having? I will be redrawing this one a little bit here. So as you can see, we are still fighting against these levels. So we had a fake out once again on the lower side. So let's see what it will be doing. It looks like that we are having horizontal support. And you can see over here, we have previous resistance, looking at the support once again. So let's see what it will be doing. But yeah, basically we are still looking at the 4-hourly downward sloping resistance line that we're right now forming on the price action of Crypto.com. It is not doing anything, basically Crypto.com. I do think it will be seeing the volatility getting created anytime soon here, guys. I'm just... Like I told you before, of course, I see all the other coins gaining, and I'm usually exposed to Crypto.com, but it's not really gaining. But I'm just leaning backwards. I know it will be gaining anytime soon here. I bought Crypto.com for the long run. I definitely feel very excited about it. So yeah, let's see what it is going to do. But first, need to see a breakthrough of this resist line. But guys, once seeing a breakthrough of this resist line, especially because once again Bitcoin is moving higher. Guys, the volatility will be insane. We're probably going to see huge spikes of green candles, so looking forward to it. But yeah, we first have to break this resistance line here that we're right now currently farming. So looking forward to it, guys. Looking absolutely forward to it. So Dylan Payton also donated to the channel. You're saying opinion about Bitcoin Cash. I'm staying away from it. I don't like it. Bitcoin Cash, a ripoff of Bitcoin, having no fundamental worth basically. I don't like it. Staying away from it. I don't like it. That's my quick opinion. So Dylan Gambio also donated to the channel, and you're saying, did you hear about the BPSAA.vision website project? All great projects that are a part of it. Check the site, please. So Dylan Gambio, I definitely want to be checking this site, but I will be not doing it in the stream, and I want to be careful because I know some YouTubers are getting... I'm not saying that you're a scammer, so, but some YouTubers are getting scammed because they're opening a site here, what people are requesting. Them. So sorry, I made a screenshot, maybe on my phone or so. I'm going to open it, so I want to be careful, of course, with these kinds of things. So I will be not doing it live in the stream. And I know probably you're not a scammer or so, but I want to be careful with these kinds of things, guys. So that's the reason why I'm staying away from it. So I have to quickly react to some things here. So that's the reason why I'm not doing site. So please don't request a site in the super chat. But thank you so much for your super chat, of course. Was a super chat for Sheely's as well. So let me check it. And I see Curtis once again donated to the channel. Thank you so much for your £1 donation. So let me check Sheely. Sorry for missing some things out here. And Dean Harvey, thank you so much for letting me know because you're a true legend, of course. So what do I think for Sheely? So it's already consolidating for quite a while. And guys, like I told you before, I don't think the NFT hype is over yet here. I don't think it's over. Definitely think that we are going to see more volatility getting created. But yeah, you can see right now, downward sloping resist line, downward sloping support line getting formed, downward sloping resist line getting formed, and already breaking through some critical levels. But basically, it's still on a downtrend, even though we're right now setting a higher low. I don't think that we're necessarily seeing a reversal right now. And so I don't think that we're necessarily going to see a reversal right now, but definitely looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, I mean, Sheely's was getting way too overextended. Once it's going parabolic, you want to be cooling off here. So that's also the thing what we're right now currently seeing here. So let's see what it will be doing. Maybe we're going to see a longer period of cool off, but maybe we're already going to reverse to the upside. I think the NFT hype will be returning. I do think it's good to buy into lows, and I think Sheely's is right now a good buying opportunity. And the funny part about it, I mean, I heard everyone talking about Sheely's over here, but right now I don't hear anyone talking about Sheely's. But a big shout out for the one who asked me, because yeah, if you're buying right now, yeah, you're buying into consolidation, and that is a place where you want to be buying. So do I think it's a bad buy? No, I don't think so. You're starting a new uptrend, it looks like. So Bitcoin also moving up. It can be dragging Sheely's along with it as well. And I really like the project of Sheely's as well. I really like the project. So Dylan Gambio, yeah, no rush, buddy. Appreciate your content. So thank you so much for supporting the channel once again here. So I see right away, I see also a different request coming in here, and I see someone asking me, do you think XRP can get to the $10? I don't think that XRP is going to do the $10. Maybe if we're getting even more good news, but I think $10 is pretty ambitious. So that's the reason why I'm telling everyone. Please make sure to already take some profits once reaching the $3. But yeah, it's not out of the book. So guys, it's absolutely crushing it. Looks like the 4-hourly candle is going to close above the 0.5 here. That's absolutely cool to see. So we also got another request from someone, and let me look at it. It is SysconDE, and let me see what you're asking me. So hello, what about Ravencoin? It looks great. Best regards. So thank you so much for your donation. Let me look into Ravencoin, but first XRP. Guys, 23 minutes away from the 4-hourly close, and it looks like we're going to close above the 0.5. And if we're going to close above the 0.5, this will be, of course, absolutely bullish here. And if we're going to do so, we will be looking for higher highs anytime soon here, guys. And if we're going to close this candle above this line, yeah, this will be damn bullish. This will be damn very bullish, guys, and it's a thing I can't wait for. So then we got a request for Ravencoin. So let me look at the Ravencoin, and you're saying it looks particularly good here. And this is a coin, Ravencoin, of course, growing exponential to the upside. And this is a thing that I do like to see here, guys. And the lovely part about this, and this is a period that I've been waiting for my whole life. This is a thing that I'm anticipated for approximately 4 years, guys. Congratulations for everyone who's right now watching. I feel so happy. I feel so relieved as well, guys. We were anticipating this bull run for such a long period of time, and right now we are in this phase. And please, I just want to raise awareness. You have to be very happy that you're right now in this position where you're right now currently in as well. It's absolutely insane. We are right now at a very, very nice stage in the cryptocurrency space, and of course the gains are insane. So please make sure to just look at CoinMarketCap or so, scroll around and look at the gains. Look at the gains that you already made in your portfolio. It's absolutely beautiful days to be around. Bitcoin setting new all-time highs. I'm just more happy once Bitcoin is setting new all-time highs. I'm just right away going to say it. So make sure to enjoy these days as well, because these are of course days that are going to go back into history books. Once you're looking back to these days in 5 or 10 years, it's absolutely sick what we're going to see. But yeah, what are you having with Ravencoin? You can see symmetrical triangle getting formed, downward sloping resistance line on the top side, upward sloping support line on the lower side. Absolutely cool what you can be seeing here. Still getting respected, so it's a good buying opportunity right now. Yes, you're buying a support, so I definitely think it's a good buying opportunity right now. And if you're already heading towards the previous all-time high, it's approximately a move of 65%. So do think the volatility can be created anytime soon here. I definitely feel excited about it because it's consolidating right now, and it looks like very bullish consolidation. But maybe it can take quite a while here before really seeing the blast off. But yeah, buying in right now is, in my opinion, a good buying opportunity. So Curtis also donated to the channel. You're saying, check out Cards, BitBoy partner, and upcoming IDO. So first of all, let me check it. Cards. If it's really, I don't know exactly what it is doing, but if it's partnering with some YouTubers, I want to be careful. Because probably getting pumped pretty significantly. The problem here is that usually I will be right away saying it. Never will be doing it. I will be never dumping on the projects that I'm recommending or so. But yeah, I just want to be raising awareness that once they are partnering up with a project, they probably own a lot of it. So please be careful. Do your own research, because they can drop on you pretty significantly. So yeah, don't know. I have to do my research on this one, because I can't really give my opinion about it without doing any research. So yeah, you can be buying it on Uniswap, but we'll be checking it as well off the stream, because I want to be looking into it if they are partnering up. So let me check it real quickly, because yeah, maybe it is giving me very good possibilities to buy into. So I made a screenshot. We'll be looking into it after the stream. I don't think today after the stream I have time to look into it, but tomorrow, yes, definitely I have some time. So we'll be doing some more research tomorrow, but I will be checking it, Curtis. Enjoying life. Yeah, guys, let's see everyone talking about it. Absolutely sick. Absolutely sick. So GRT is flying. Everyone's talking about GRT right now. GRT is absolutely flying. That's indeed true. Guys, we can see we were looking at the daily candles, and this is of course beautiful to see. Breakout on the daily, having this retest, and right now moving up higher. This is absolutely a coin that you want to be buying here. And we were talking about the GRT for such a long period of time. I want to be saying it right now once again, because yeah, earlier today we already talked about GRT. We were talking about the potential that it's going to have to go towards the $6, etc. So do I think we're heading towards $6? I think it will be here very quickly. And I mean, you want to be buying into coins that have consolidated. So yeah, this one consolidated and is looking absolutely bullish for me. So I see also Lorenzo donating. Lorenzo becoming a member of the channel. So Lorenzo, big shout out to you. Thank you for becoming a member on the channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Hopefully you're going to enjoy your amazing color in the chat. So guys, I think that I quickly want to be asking you, I want to be asking a favor, because we're very close with reaching the 31.7k. So if you haven't already got your free subscription on the channel, it would be of course very amazing if you're right now subscribed to the channel, because we're very close with reaching the new targets. And I mean, if you're also subscribed to the channel, you're just kept up to date about every single notification and every single stream and update that we're going to do. Because of course I would like to also make some quick update videos, some shorter videos like I did previously. But yeah, the recent days I was doing all kinds of live streams, so probably from off tomorrow, the whole day free, so going to make a lot of content, so already looking forward to it. So let's see what we're going to do. But guys, very exciting days. Very exciting days ahead, especially because Bitcoin is setting new all-time highs. But I see also DeFi Deep is saying $40 link by the end of the day. That will be insane. For Link is Link showing so much follow through. I do think $40 link is quite ambitious for the end of the day. Let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do. But yeah, it's definitely not out of the books. I do feel very excited by the price action of Chainlink. I do think that we're probably going to see a lot of follow-through getting created. So yeah, very exciting days. Very exciting days. So let's see what it is heading towards, especially Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin is moving up here. We'll be going into Bitcoin in a second here. But first, I see that Lorenzo just became a member as well. You're asking me, how do you see BNB from here? I see a lot of BNB emojis, so I see it clearly. But let me also go into the chart. Let me also go into the chart. And hopefully you're going to like it to becoming a member. Of course, you don't gain an additional information or so, but it's just more purely in terms of supporting the channel and, of course, getting this cool color and these cool emojis that I can add if you're a member. So it would be amazing if you're doing it, but only if you want to be supporting the channel. So if you're looking to buy this coin, as you can see, it has a stealth run up, but I do think it is looking like you can see here exponential growth, and right now it is having a major correction. So for me, this is identifying that we are at the end of the parabolic run up in the immediate short term. So probably we're going to see a new all-time high getting created for BNB anytime soon here. But for me, it will be likely to see consolidation once again playing out. So that is the thing. Oh, all-time high Bitcoin, guys. Oh my gosh, sorry, I have to flip. New all-time high for Bitcoin. Sorry, I will be going into BNB later on, man. I will be going into BNB later on, but guys, right away anticipating to it. Sorry for me being so... oh man, guys, what are we seeing? Bitcoin once again creating a new all-time high. Congratulations for everyone who's holding their Bitcoin. We are doing it once again. Look at this 5-minute candle. Let me enable the volume. Volume is pretty nice here already, so we are absolutely crushing it. I will be going back into BNB in a second, but guys, this is what is making me drive very crazy. This is the reason why I'm loving Bitcoin 10K in the trade right now. We are absolutely crushing it with the trades, and this is the reason also, guys, why I love trading Bitcoin. And this is absolutely sick. What are we seeing? Bitcoin, of course, getting a minor correction, guys. Absolutely sick. Make sure to right now smash up the likes if we want to be seeing another new all-time high for Bitcoin. Would be very amazing if you're right now smashing up the likes, because this is a moment that we are truly enjoying all together. This is a moment that is going back into the history books. Bitcoin once again setting a new all-time high, guys. This is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane. We're going parabolic. So seeing a minor sell for Bitcoin right now playing out, but I do think that we're probably going to create more volatility. So earlier on the stream, we were asking everyone, are we going to set a new all-time high on this 1 hourly candle? And yes, we did, guys. We did. So that's, of course, not as anticipated, but this is 4 hourly close, guys. 4 hourly close will be here in 15 minutes, and this is a pretty nice 4 hourly close in my opinion. So we're going to create even more volatility on this next 4 hourly close. And you know on the channel, guys, I think these next 15 minutes, these next Bitcoin is booming. It's absolutely booming. So I see text. So you're asking me for the SXP chart. We'll be going into it later on, because first I want to be discussing Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the one to watch right now. Want to be looking at Bitcoin. Guys, look at this 5-minute candle. Insane volume coming in. But guys, this is the thing that I love about my job. This is the thing that I love about doing here. This is the reason why I'm doing this every single day, guys. This is just, these are things that I really love to see here. These are also things that you not just see every single day. You can see Ethereum is taking a big hit here compared to Bitcoin, because this is purely a Bitcoin pump. Once again, big players stepping into Bitcoin. Maybe we're going to see some short squeezes playing out right now if we can see some more volatility getting created. Because yes, people are still bearish on the market, but we are not going to counter trade the trend here, because the trend is your friend till it ends, and it looks like the trend is not ending anytime soon here. So yeah, definitely cool to see here. And the bakery saying, "I told you so." Yeah, congratulations for everyone. Congratulations for everyone. Fire up, Rover. Yeah, we are absolutely crushing it, of course. I mean, if I look at his rates, it is just making me feel very comfortable. It's making me feel very comfortable. History being made live in the stream. And guys, that is absolutely lovely, because maybe in 2 or 3 years, once we're in a bear market, once we're having a hard time, if there is going to be a bear market, of course, maybe it's going to be different. But yes, we're still we are in the top of the cycle right now. But if we're in the bear market, we're going to look back at these good days, guys. Of course, very exciting days for Bitcoin. 63.6K. Yeah, we're having a minor correction on 5-minute candle, but I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing. What is the take profit number, guys? I'm not looking to take profit soon here. 65k will be a minor take profit area for me because it is a psychological level of resistance. But also, if I just quickly flip on to this Fibonacci extension level, you can see the major resistance in the Fibonacci extension level is 69k here, so that's a pretty high level already. And if you look to the breakout target of the symmetrical triangle, guys, that one is also pretty high, so absolutely crushing it right now. Looking forward to it. So as you can see here, in terms of point of breakout, you can see price starts sitting around 73k. So are we going to take profits? I think taking profits is never a bad thing here, but I don't think that we're necessarily have to take profits right now. We'll be waiting a little bit longer. We will be definitely seeing more volumes getting created. So still 12 more minutes before closing this 4-hourly candle. 12 more minutes before closing a 4-hourly candle. And guys, you know it on the channel. You know it on the channel. Always once these last 10 minutes of the 4-hourly candles playing out here, we tend to see a lot of volatility in the market. So are we going to see the same here? I do think that we are going to see, yeah, probably the same once again for Bitcoin playing out. So let's see. Who the F goes short right now? I mean, that is also a question I'm right now asking myself. Who the F is going short right now to Bitcoin? Because you're absolutely going to wreck yourself. And of course, we are not going short on the channel. That's not a thing that we do. I mean, there were all kinds of YouTubers. That was a thing that I found very funny because I was getting all kinds of donations on the channel, and they were saying, "Look at this is the chart that MA Crypto sent me a chart that that this is the top, that this is the top." But guys, I was saying on the channel, are you going to listen? Are you going to listen to someone else? I mean, I always say you never want to listen to me, but you want to be doing your own research. But are you going to ignore the technicals? No, you're not going to ignore the technicals. Of course not, because we're absolutely bullish. And you're saying that how can you call a top? How can you call a top if we're in an uptrend? How can you call a top if we are in an uptrend? I will be not shorting Bitcoin as long as we are in an uptrend on the daily. And yes, if we're going to see a big reversal on the daily candles, if we're setting lower lows, if we're setting lower highs, I will be definitely looking for shorts. But for now on, no, I will be not looking for shorts. And they were all saying, damn it, you have to go short over here. But I told them, oh, no, we're not going short because we are going to crush the market. We're not getting wrecked. We're not these moon boys that are flipping their thoughts every single moment. Because once the market is going up, they will be saying, oh, we're extremely bullish. And once the market is going lower, they're saying, oh, we're absolutely bearish. But guys, we on the channel are saying realistic. And once we're having a drop off, because we're in a parabolic uptrend, guys, once having a drop off, we will be buying. We will be not selling. We will be not shorting the lows. We will be buying, and we will be longing the lows. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do. I'm not saying that anyone is saying something incorrectly, but I mean, people were donating to the channel. They were saying, oh, we are having resistance, and you have to get out of Bitcoin right now because we're heading into 4-year resistance. 12-year resistance, and yeah, you have to get out of it. So yeah, I mean, sorry for the shill. Sorry for the shill. I have to say this real quickly. Sorry for the shill, but I had to say this real quickly because it's a thing that's bothering me right now on the channel because I see all kinds of people saying this on the internet, and it's really. He never said that. Maybe he never said it, but someone sent me the chart. Someone sent me the chart. Someone sent me the chart. So let's see what it is going to do. Sell-offs flying into XRP. Let's go into XRP. Oh, damn it. It's even increasing more and more in valuation. So still 4 hours away. So yeah, let's see what it is going to do. But guys, if I say something, if I said it incorrectly, please correct me if I'm wrong. But someone was sending me a chart that he was saying that. So if I say something incorrectly, of course, not a thing that I would be loving to do so. So if you look at the XRP chart, you can see right now smashing through the 0.5 here. Absolutely cool to see here. You can see a breakthrough of this level. 4-hourly closes, 8 minutes here and 4 minutes. And if we're going to close the 4-hourly candle over here, guys, this is absolutely cool to see. Because if we're going to close the 4-hourly candle at this level, we are seeing a breakthrough of the $1.71 here. And if we're going to see this breakthrough of this level, of course, this is showing us the significance that we're probably going to see another leg up getting traded towards the $2.09 anytime soon here. Because yes, I don't think that we're necessarily going to go for a moonshot here to the upside. I do think some consolidation can be in the play here for the XRP price action, just like we did previously. Probably we're going to find a lot of support around the $1.71. So let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to have for the price action of XRP. So let me see. Double click on the side of the chart to fix the ratio. What do you mean? I don't have to fix the ratio. I don't have to fix the ratio. So let's see. So you're correct, Rover. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. I mean, yeah, Bitcoin, it's cooling off once again. So you can see minor wick on the top side getting created. Not necessarily bearish. Not necessarily bearish. So yeah, still 8 more minutes. We can still even fight back on this one. So let me nimble once again quickly. Let's see if we're having some kind of divergence on the 5 minute or on the 1 hour. So guys, I think that I want to be saying right now, as you can see here, the RSI is setting a lower high in the RSI right now on the 1 hour and setting a higher high in the price chart. So this is basically already telling me, yeah, we are having a bearish divergence. We are currently having a bearish divergence. So, of course, once having a bearish divergence, you want to be careful. And bearish divergence can, usually are signifying a cool period getting started. So, on the 1 hour, we are having this bearish divergence right now. And this, of course, a thing that's making me feel a little bit concerning. And it can be this sign here can be maybe giving us. This right now is maybe giving us the sign that the next 1 hourly candle can be maybe giving us a cooler period before moving higher. So, yeah, I don't think that we're necessarily going to go for a moonshot. There can be some more consolidation going around for Bitcoin. But let's see what we'll be doing. Because this 1 hourly bearish divergence is not a thing that we just can ignore here. It's not a thing that we can just ignore here, guys. So let's see what we'll be doing. Will Dot wake up anytime soon, lol? Yes, I do think Dot will be waking up anytime soon here, guys. I think Dot is once again just like Chainlink. Dot is also a sleeping giant, guys. Some of these top coins are still sleeping, and you can be buying into it. So Polkadot is of course an amazing good project. It's not performing that well here in the recent days, but it is a big coin that I'm exposed to. So is it good to still buy into Polkadot? Yes, I do think so. Yes, keep Link. Crypto Rover, Link creating a big W. Oh, that's pretty exciting. Link creating a big W on the daily. So let me, yeah, we were of course looking at the Chainlink. Yeah, on the daily candles, yeah, it's creating a huge W pattern. So let me remove all these charts. I mean, these are all double drawings. So I mean, yeah, this is forming a W structure. So the point here that we don't want to be seeing here for the price action of a Chainlink is a breakthrough of this level. And if we're really going to break through this level and having a retest, that would be of course beautiful. But the only part, yeah, this is a nice W here. It's looking like a nice W. So let's see what we're going to do. But usually what I do like to see here is also touch on the top side here. But this is also a pretty good W. So let's see what we're going to do. Hopefully we can be smashing through this level and having a retest, because that can really identify the follow-through getting created. So yeah, we were just earlier today also discussing the Chainlink compared to Bitcoin chart, and that is the chart what is mainly making me feel very excited about Chainlink. That is the chart what is making me feel very excited about Bitcoin. Sorry, Chainlink. Sorry. Let me see. Thank you. I will hold XRP till $3. And first of all, I do think XRP is still on hold till $3, but I'm not saying that it's going to stop at $3. First of all, you want to be knowing this. I'm not saying that XRP is going to stop at $3, but the higher it is going in this rapid pace, guys, the more careful we want to be getting as well, because we don't want to be becoming too greedy. And are you really going to become even more greedy once you're already making a 400% trade? You're making a 400% trade and you're still getting too greedy. That is not a thing that I'm willing to do here. It's not a thing that I'm willing to do. So yeah, XRP definitely will be happy once reaching the $3, and I will be at least taking big profits over there. So I see people talking about Polkastarter real quickly. So let me. I mean, always when people are talking about Polkastarter, it's a thing that I love to do. It's a thing that I love to discuss. If people are talking about these coins, that I definitely love, because a Polkastarter is one of my biggest gems that I currently have in my portfolio. I mean, if I look at the terms and how a rapid pace I made such amount of gains, it was definitely Polkastarter buying at low levels. And this is not the chart with all the information on it, by the way. This is not the chart with all the information on it. So let me quickly look at the chart that has all the information. So this is also a chart that don't have the information. So let me quickly check it. Because yeah, Polkastarter also getting listed on all kinds of exchanges, guys, and that's the reason why we are seeing. Yeah, this is the better chart. So you can see here, you could have bought at 10 cents for such a long period of time. Sleeping Giant as well. You can see here a falling wedge getting created here and a breakthrough this resistance line. I feel very excited about Polkastarter. And just like GRT, I think Polkastarter will definitely see so many follow-through getting created here. I do feel very excited about it, even though immediate short term, we are not seeing the trend reversal yet here. I do want to be seeing a higher high getting created here. I do want to be seeing higher lows getting created. So hopefully we can be seeing some more volts getting created on this one. So yeah, very excited, guys. Very excited what we are having here. On the chart, we are not really seeing the reversal yet. We're not seeing, yeah, we are seeing higher lows getting created, but not the higher highs. And that's the thing that I do want to be seeing here. But I do think it will be coming anytime soon here. Consolidation already for a long period of time. After consolidation, you can usually see another run up to the upside. So looking forward to it. So let me go back into Bitcoin because in exactly, guys, exactly 4 minutes. So 3 minutes and 30 seconds. I mean, 3 minutes and 30 seconds before closing this 4-hourly candle, guys. And that is, of course, an insane 4-hourly candle. The highest 4-hourly candle ever in the Bitcoin history. We are going to witness it all together, guys. We are going to see some historical moments playing out once again for Bitcoin. So, guys, absolutely cool that you are tuning in here. And, guys, a thing that I want to be saying here, we are currently we already reached it. But on my screen, I can see we are only 3 subscribers away from the 31.7K here. But for everyone who already subscribed to the channel, thank you so much here because it already updated on this screen, but not on my screen. So, pretty weird. But thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. Yeah, we are crushing through this level. And yeah, we're heading towards the 31.8K. We're doing this all together, guys. We're absolutely crushing it. But first, Bitcoin, 2 more minutes before closing this 4-hourly candle. This is absolutely a nice, beautiful 4-hourly candle. And also the highest in the Bitcoin history. Absolutely exciting. Get next to the pump on... Yeah, let's see. I mean... We already ride the pump of XRP, but right now we want to be riding the next pump. So the next pump will probably be around the Chainlink price action or the ATH price action. So looking forward to it, guys. I am willing to be a part of this. I am willing to be a part of these trades. So you're once again GP Textile. Sorry, I have not discussed SXP yet here. So. Let me, we'll be looking at the 4-hourly close for Bitcoin, of course. But let me also quickly check on this chart. So I think you mean swipe here. Already we'll be setting it up over here. So currently sitting around $4.56 here. Trading about on the all-time highs here. But let me flip it over to... Let me quickly look into it. Let me quickly look into it before going back into Bitcoin. We still have 1 minute and 40 seconds before seeing the 4-hourly close. So that's of course a very cool thing to see for me. Whoa. I will be going back into it in a second because I want to be seeing Bitcoin, of course, closing this 4-hourly. So Textile, I will be going into it in a moment. Looking forward to it. Looking forward to it. Give me a second because first the 4-hourly candle is about to close here in 1 minute and 20 seconds for Bitcoin, guys. Absolutely exciting. Back to BNB, please. Lorenzo will be also going back into BNB after that. So SXP, BNB, they're all coming. Give me a moment. Is Bybit a good exchange? Bybit is definitely not a bad exchange. You can also, I think Bybit is a very good trading exchange for Bitcoin, especially. They're right now also offering some altcoins. So, yeah, definitely it's a good exchange. And it's also a trustworthy exchange. And if you want to be signing up here to get some extra bonuses, because if you're going to the link in the description, you're also getting some bonuses while signing up to these exchanges. So, will be, of course, very amazing if you're supporting the channel, etc. And also with Femex, you're getting a $680 bonus. So, yeah, definitely worth to check it out here. So, Bitcoin is going to close for an hourly candle in exactly 35 minutes, guys. Looking forward to it. So, Lorenzo, you're asking me for the BNB support level. We'll be going into the support levels in a second then. Good luck, guys. Yeah, let's see what we're going to do. Let's see what we're going to do. So, exactly 22 seconds before closing the 4-hourly candle. And, of course, opening a new one. And this is the highest 4-hourly close ever in the Bitcoin history, guys. Congratulations for all the people that are holding Bitcoin. And it's, for me, absolutely a cool thing to see that we can be witnessing this 4-hourly close at an all-time high right now altogether. So, highest 4-hourly candle close ever in the Bitcoin history. Are we going to beat this record once again? Are we going to beat this record once again with the next candle? And, guys, damn it, it already looks like we are flipping it into the green. But let me know in the chat. Are we going to set a new highest 4-hourly candle close with the next 4-hourly close? Do you think so? Let's see what we're going to do. But Bitcoin is moving up once again. It's not looking to stop anytime soon here. And that is usually what you can see. New 4-hourly candle close, new 4-hourly candle open. And usually you're seeing a lot of volatility getting created right away once opening these candles. So we'll be keeping an eye out on Bitcoin. But first I will be going into SXP for my friend. So I will be going into SXP and what I think about it. So yeah, what are we currently seeing for this coin? What does it look like for me? If I look to the chart, guys, you can see it is going parabolic. It is going parabolic right away. We'll be seeing this. And let me see. If I set up a horizontal level over here. If I set a horizontal level from previous all-time high, you can see major resistance going in play over there. But still getting us rejected. And Lorenzo, please, don't spam in the chat. Don't spam in the chat. Oh, Don't spam in the chat, please. Boom goes Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it went higher. But please don't spam in the chat. But you can see over here, SXP breakthrough all-time high, but yeah, not really showing the volatility because you can see over here, you're creating lower. Wait, we're not seeing we're not seeing a higher high. So you can see here lower high getting created here in the RSI, a higher high in the price chart. So it's basically giving us a bearish divergence. That is also the reason why we are calling up right now. But yeah, you're still trading on higher lows. So you're setting higher lows, and this, of course, a bullish divergence, which you're right now playing out here, setting a higher low, lower high in the RSI. So right now, at the moment, you're having a bullish divergence. So this, for me, a reason to believe that we're going to move up here for XP, and this, of course, in the immediate short term. So let's see what we'll be doing. We'll be going back into BNB, but first we'll be discussing Bitcoin, because it looks like Bitcoin is almost setting a new all-time high, guys. It looks like that Bitcoin is setting almost a new all-time high, and once again, you can see the volume is not really that beautiful, to be honest. But yeah, we are currently also creating a bearish divergence on the 5-minute, guys, so want to be careful. We can be seeing the price a little bit reverse to the downside, but let's see if we can be creating more volatility. I do think we definitely can be seeing the volatility getting created. But SXP, guys, it is looking like we're having a bullish divergence and can definitely move a little bit higher. And, oh, damn it, guys. A coin that we completely missed here is, of course, Ethereum. Because Ethereum just set another new all-time high. Guys, I can't keep up with the space. We are seeing all-time highs getting created on the left side, on the right side. It is everywhere. We're seeing all all kinds of new all-time highs getting created, guys. It's absolutely cool to see. It's really lovely. You can see Ethereum also almost trading about $2,300 US. Yeah, we are only setting new all-time highs. Bitcoin also heading towards the new all-time high, guys. We're oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it once again. These days are so excited. I can't keep up with the pace. Flip to Ethereum, it's going to pump. Guys, yeah, it looks like Ethereum is really gaining some valuation compared to Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. Am I reason to believe that Ethereum is definitely going to blast off here? And I will be going into Ethereum. Give me a moment, guys. But look at this chart. This is, by the way, Ethereum compared to Bitcoin chart. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking extremely bullish. Downward sloping resistance line getting formed. And yeah, a thing that you can also see here is, yeah, you are getting rejected, but right now you're getting supported by this line. So do I believe that Ethereum is absolutely going to go sky high? Yes, I do think so. Let's see if we can see a $2,500 US Ethereum anytime soon getting created, because the $2,500 US is, of course, the target of the W recovery, of the ascending triangle, of the symmetrical triangle. There are so many patterns that right now are unfolding on Ethereum, and that is basically the targets. $2,500 US is definitely my target to take some profits on Ethereum. So let's see where it's ascending towards. Currently at almost trading at $2,300 US, guys. It's absolutely insane. Bitcoin setting a new all-time high, guys. Congratulations. No, we did set a new all-time high for Bitcoin, and to see everyone saying it in the chat right now as well, guys. Absolutely exciting days. Absolutely exciting day. Let me take another quick sip of my cold coffee here. Let me quickly check if the stream is still working, because it seems to be lagging on my screen. So hopefully it's still working on your side. Hopefully it's still working. Let me know real quickly. Yeah, it's still working. Should be working. Okay. So someone is saying Ethereum already reached $2,300 US on the on Coinbase. So that's absolutely sick to see. Ethereum already crushing through that level on Coinbase. Guys, yeah, we are seeing it all kinds of new iced coffee. Yes, iced coffee. I mean, it's cold coffee. But yeah, I can call it iced coffee. So I see Wesley still also joining the Crypto Rover community. So thank you so much for supporting the channel as well, Wesley. Thank you for becoming member here. Thank you so much. Hopefully you're going to enjoy your cool color in the chat. No, stream laggy. Okay, so let me go into BNB real quickly, because a lot of people are willing to discuss BNB, and of course we were looking at which levels we're probably going to find some support, and what do I expect about BNB right now. So there are a lot of levels that we can be looking at once we're falling. So a possibility that we can be looking at here is, if we're going to see BNB falling, we can be looking at targets around to 0.236 here. So if we're heading towards this level, this can be, of course, once again a buying opportunity, and that is sitting around to 550. Restart, please. Oh, what is going on? What is going on? Yes. Oh, wait. Is everything good? Is everything... Oh, we're back. Okay, guys. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. For a second, I thought it was me. That's weird. That's weird. That's weird. That's weird. That's weird. And we're back. Okay, guys. That was truly weird. I don't know what happened. Hopefully everything is still right here. Hopefully the stream is still in play. I see we lost 400 viewers, so probably something big went wrong here. So in my screen I saw a connection error coming in, and that's of course not a thing that I usually have, but hopefully it's still right. So Wesley still saying was not able to donate to the channel as a super chat. But I like your channel. Thank you so much, Wesley, for supporting the channel. It's really lovely to hear. But yeah, people are talking about Bitcoin. But yeah, let's look at Binance Coin here. You can see we're trading at the $540 as support, and we still have more levels that we can be finding some good entries on. And I do think, guys, a good entry target is around the golden pocket, and the golden pocket entry is sitting around to $480. So golden pocket entry is over here, and the golden pocket entry can usually be identifying that you can be seeing a good bounce back to the upside. So I see you are back. Everyone is saying everything is once again correctly. So sorry for me freaking out. Sorry for my internet freaking out. I don't know what is happening over here right now. So I see someone else saying ADA is live on YouTube. So guys, a thing that I do want to be saying. Let me quickly check it. Let me quickly check it, crypto, because you're saying ADA is live. I do think it's a scam stream, because guys, there are usually a lot of these scam streams, and you want to be careful. You want to be careful. Don't get wrecked by these scam streams. And we, of course, are not a scam stream, but there are a lot of scam streams here on the internet, and you want to be careful with these. So please don't get fooled by them. Don't get fooled by them, and it's not the real ADA probably. So yeah, for Binance Coin, you can be really entering big on Binance Coin once reaching the $480. So that's a level that I should be looking to accumulate some. So let's see if Ethereum is already sending the $2,300 also on the Femex chart. So for now, it has not done it yet. Ethereum compared to Bitcoin is bouncing up pretty significantly, pretty nice as well. You can see, guys, we were just discussing this earlier on, and oh man, guys, we have to look at Ripple. We have to look at Ripple. It's absolutely insane. Guys, I can't look at every single thing, but it's absolutely cool to see. But yeah, we were just talking about Ethereum compared to Bitcoin looking extremely bullish. Probably going to see more vol again create. But yeah, XRP heading towards the $2. It is looking good here. And guys, the lovely part to see is that we're closing above the 0.5, and we can see we have a pretty nice candle close here above the $1.71. And because we're having this good candle close above it, you can see the other candles already showing the vol too. So what I would do, I expect right now for XRP, I think there is a high likelihood that we're going to correct back to the $1.71. But I mean, I would not be surprised if we're right away going to smash through the $2. So let's see how fast it can go here, guys. So hopefully we're going to make some more gains here. And the part here, for everyone who is willing to trade XRP, you can't trade it on Femex because it's right now currently suspended. So if you want to be trading XRP as well, you have to go to the link in the description. You have to go to the Bybit referral link, because if you're signing up with Bybit, you can be trading your XRP on Bybit over there. So I mean, I saw some people trading. They were trading on Binance on Bybit, but people sent me some screenshot in my DMs here on Instagram. So if you haven't followed me as well here on Instagram, I mean, the Instagram is @crypto_YT. But I was getting some DMs from some people, and they were sending me their gains that they are making with XRP, and that's of course lovely to see. So if you haven't followed me already, you can do so right now. And big shout out for everyone who's right now following me as well. Yeah, I see 5 more followers. Yeah, I mean, big shout out to you, Rocky, and these other guys as well. So yeah, we're making insane gains on XRP, but I do think a retest is absolutely imminent. And maybe if you haven't already entered your position, I think $1.71 can be showing the significance to enter a position. So looking forward to see you guys gain more. And if you haven't already signed up with Bybit, it's definitely worth it to do it as well, to trade some XRP. So I mean, right now see other people saying chainlink pumping. Guys, there are so many coins. No audio. Guys, don't we have audio? I think you're trolling me. I think you're trolling me. We do have audio. We fought the federals. Got you. No, that's not. That's true. That's true. No, that's not true. They did not come. They will be never call. They will be never call. They will be never catch me alive. They don't catch me alive. But I mean, guys, we're not doing anything illegal. We're only crushing the market, and maybe they are seeing that we are making too much gains and they're trying to stop us. But just like YouTube is trying to stop us, we will be never stopping, of course, guys. And for the people that are really interested in the community that we're currently building, it's definitely worth to check out the Discord server as well. Currently almost having 13k members, guys. 12.5k members in the Discord server. If you are not in the community yet here, make sure to do it. Because, yeah, if you're joining the Crypto Rover Discord server, you can be talking with all kinds of people about crypto. And would be, of course, very lovely if you're joining. Because, I mean, yeah, if you want to be sharing your own thoughts on the market as well, it's definitely the place to do so. It's definitely the place to do so. Ripple drop. Yeah, we were just discussing Ripple. I think he just wants you to look at audio. I know, a lot of requests from audio coming in recently. Let's see. I'm in with ULAP all the way. Guys, Yeah. By the way, soon UDEP was seeing that was talking a lot about it apparently. So also in a video that we were making, so they approached us and they asked me if I can make a video special about UDEP, and they asked me to make a question video. So probably I will be maybe having an interview with the CEO of UDEP. So I made also a channel on the Discord server where you can ask all your questions, because I want to help you guys. So if you have any questions here, you can go to the general chat, guys, in the Discord server, and you can see UDEP, and you can be asking every single question over there, because probably we will be asking it. Yeah, we will be answering all your questions. So if you have still some questions about it, definitely make sure to ask it. This is purely a project because I made this video and right now they approached me after the video. So it's purely a project that I gave you out of my heart. And this is a project that will be still making very good returns. And just like I was doing on TikTok, guys, I was making this video on TikTok, and I'm a very noob on TikTok. I'm new. I'm just looking around with TikTok, and oh, look at this, 5K views. That's absolutely sick. But guys, I'm just looking around with TikTok. I just started it off. But if you want to follow me as well over here, would be of course very amazing. But yeah, I made this video, and I know for sure this is one of a big gem, guys. This is a big gem. It's definitely worth it. Make sure to do your own research about it. I think it's very important to do your own research about this coin. But if you do your research, you probably will be finding out the same that I did. You will be finding out that this coin has huge potential if you look to the interest rates, guys. Soon they told us as well, soon you are able to gain interest on Bitcoin. So look at you can calculate your rewards already. Let's say you will have to look at this schedule over here. But I mean, I'm already talking so many things. I'm talking about it a lot on the channel, and the reason why I'm doing it, because I want to get so many people on board of this on board of this program, because I want to be making these gains on this coin together with you guys. I want to be making these gains together as a community. So definitely worth to check it out. Definitely, you don't have to buy. Just read the white paper. Just read the site, and you will be finding out why I'm so bullish about it. You definitely have to do it. So yeah, people are saying it's cringe. Yes, it's definitely cringe. It's definitely cringe. This is my biggest cringe that I've ever done. I've never done TikTok. I'm not. I've always said I don't like it. But yeah, right now I made my own account of it. So people all on the Discord server were telling me. I was chatting around in the Discord server. I was in the Discord server in the general chat, and everyone was saying, Rover, you have to make a TikTok. Rover, you have to make a TikTok. So that is the reason why I did so. So yeah, hopefully we're going to be not that cringe on the next video. So hopefully you're going to enjoy it. I mean, it's pretty funny. This one is pretty funny, so worth checking out. So we're getting a support of the nation. So thank you so much for your support of the nation. Let me look into the donation real quickly. It's from ADA gang. So you are saying, hey Rover, could you please check out ADA support and resistance and give your thoughts in the short term? So let me go to ADA here, because yeah, we are loving ADA on the channel. And where can we buy yield? Go to CoinMarketCap, and quickly going to react to this first before going into ADA. But you can see here, you can buy it on Uniswap here, but you can buy it on some other exchanges also. But yeah, definitely worth checking out here. But I bought it on Uniswap. You can be also buying it on some other swap exchanges, 1inch and SushiSwap, etc. But make sure to do your own research. I think that's very important. So let me go to the ADA price section. You're asking me, what do you expect for ADA? Looks to be right now creating big wicks on the top side, and is of course already giving me the signal that we're maybe going to top out of here. So what do I expect, and what is a good buying opportunity for the short term? To talk about a buying opportunity, I do think if you're going to see a correction towards this gray box here, I think this is your opportunity to get into the ADA price section. So if you're heading towards the $1.32 here, I think, yeah, this is definitely the area that you want to get exposed to, because if you're buying at this level, you're buying at the lows, and you can be looking for newer highs anytime soon here. We're still trading an ascending triangle here, but you're asking me about the short term. So let me also flip onto the MACD, because then I can identify the trend on the 4-hour. And if I identify the trend on the 4-hour, here we're still basically the downside. But right now it looks like, yeah, we're creating a higher wave to the upside, and also it looks to be that we're creating a higher low as well over here. So I do think that we can be seeing more volatility created. But let me first look at the 1 day as well, because the daily we're starting a downtrend, but we really reversed the downtrend here approximately on the 24th of March, and we started a new uptrend on the daily. So for me, it looks like we are extremely bullish on the daily. You can see also the MACD is giving us a bullish crossover as well over here. So this is basically identifying the trend is once again basically to the upside. We're setting higher lows, we're setting higher highs. It's looking absolutely bullish for me, and I do think we can be moving up quite significantly once again anytime soon. So yeah, momentum is shifting back to the upside. Looking forward to it, and definitely think we can be heading higher on the daily candles. And of course, this is a little bit of the bigger picture. I do also want to give the picture. I also want to give you an immediate short-term thought of what I think about it right now. So. Immediate short term, yeah, looks to be creating a bearish divergence from this previous high over here. So this, of course, a pretty unfortunate thing. It's right now also currently falling to the downside. But yeah, really what I expect here is a correction to this gray box. But once reaching the gray box, very significant resistance. It will be flipping into support. So definitely worth buying into ADA once reaching the $1.32. Definitely worth buying into. Definitely worth buying into. But yeah, guys, I mean. Let me see, yeah, 65 followers right now. It's absolutely cool that you guys are all following me on TikTok over there. So let's see what we're going to do. So, Mug Gang. Yeah, guys, we are still in the Mug Gang. We will be maybe giving away some extra mugs here anytime soon here. I've not recently did a lot of giveaways with the mugs. But of course, I'm willing to give some more stuff away anytime soon, guys. Of course, you have to know on the channel. We're going to do huge giveaways once reaching the 40k. Once reaching the 30k, we did also some big giveaways. So definitely worth checking out on the channel. So make sure to keep an eye out on the channel. Once reaching the 40k, we're going to do a massive giveaway. Of course, the bigger the channel is getting, the more the bigger the giveaways are going to be as well. YLD is paying all YouTubers to shill at the moment. I mean, YLD have not paid me, but they are trying to cooperate with me because they are willing to do an interview on the channel as well. Like I told you as well, because made this channel for you guys because they were seeing that I was doing this. But I have not really seen this on different channels yet, and they're so I'm looking forward to it, to where it is heading towards. But I mean, I'm really talking about this project not because I'm trying to shill on it, because I'm talking about this project because I truly think it's a good thing to look at. And you can look at the comparisons like Voyager, like Crypto.com, etc. And you can just not see the same returns that they will be offering you. So that is the reason why I just feel very excited about it. And the point here is that I'm doing on the channel, I'm trying to be honest with you, and that's really a thing that I'm trying to bring to you. I'm trying to be honest with you and trying to give my real thoughts to you. And I mean, you have to know, I'm getting offered so many promotions, but I'm almost rejecting 90% of them. I've never done a promotion yet on the channel, so I'm almost rejecting every single one of them because I only want to be looking at good projects. So yeah, Yield is one of them. That's purely out of my heart. So that's definitely a thing that you want to be knowing. I don't want to be saying, I will be not saying, guys, you have to get into this coin because it's a bad coin. No, I'm saying this because I think we can be making these gains all together on the market. And that is also, Yield is down almost a half in a month. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is right now down. But guys, the point here is that if you're talking about the price action, yeah, it is down from a month ago. It's approximately right now, yeah, the half of by them. But I mean, guys, are you going to look at that it is right now going lower? Are you going to look at the price action only, or are you going to look at, okay, right now I have a good buying opportunity, right now I have a cheap buying opportunity, or do you want to buy the highs? Because in the end of the day, yeah, I want to be making gains, and that is the reason why I'm usually exposed to this. So yeah, I mean, I always say it, you have to do your own research, but it is one of my biggest gems that I'm currently looking at. It is one of my biggest gems that I'm currently looking at. So Ultimate High Mug Celebration. Yeah, maybe we have to do it. Maybe we have to do it. Doge, Doge, Doge. Do you want me to look at Doge? Guys, I love Doge. You have to know it. So let's see. Let's see. Wait, is Doge at all-time highs? People are saying Doge. Oh, guys, I was not even paying attention. I was not even paying attention. So Dogecoin is setting a new all-time high? That's absolutely sick. So congratulations. We just set a new all-time high this hour. So I'm, of course, a Doge holder. But let me check Elon. Is he tweeting about something? Is he tweeting about something? because it seems to be, if you look at the Dogecoin price action. But no, it does not look like it. It does not look like he is tweeting today about Dogecoin. So this is pretty exciting. But Dogecoin is setting a new all-time high. The coin of the people, guys. Definitely worth. I love Dogecoin. I love it. But I see people talking about Dogecoin sitting around 9 cents, guys. Absolutely lovely to see. Look at this. Dogecoin pumping to new all-time highs. Let's see what it's heading towards. I mean, I will be not doing TA on Dogecoin because, yeah, it's purely a meme coin. This is absolutely cool. This is absolutely cool. Dogecoin heading towards 9.4 already. It looks to have a moonshot right now, guys. You can see probably if I go to CoinMarketCap, you can see Dogecoin maybe re-entering the top 10 anytime soon here, 30% today. I'm loving to hold Dogecoin, but I'm holding Dogecoin more as a coin flip, not as a true investment. So it's pretty exciting to see where Dogecoin is heading towards. He had tweeted going to the moon. Yeah, Elon tweeted a while ago, but yeah, maybe there's some inside information right now why this pump is going on, because usually once Dogecoin is pumping, there is something going on in space. But yeah, of course, lovely to see Dogecoin setting a new all-time high. Of course, I don't think it's necessarily to look at. He tweeted yesterday about or a day before it's about to go to the moon. Maybe he bought again. Maybe. But I mean, the exact moment I was seeing something on the internet. And once Elon Musk, look, Elon Musk, where was the tweet? It is about to go for the moon, where he was saying this. So, going to the moon very soon. So, he was tweeting this at 9:15 a.m. on the 10th of April. So, let me see how late it was, 9:15. So, 9:15, it was exactly over here. He tweeted this over here, and since then, about to go to the moon, we saw this huge correction coming in. He was tweeting it over here, and we saw this huge correction. So it doesn't mean that it was selling. No, I don't think so. But he was saying about to go to the moon. So maybe he did already knew something. So it was correcting over here. But yeah, of course, we did went to the moon. So did he bought over here? Did Elon knew something? Did Elon knew something? Will there come another announcement anytime soon? Or maybe he's working with some different companies that are also looking to have a lot of interest. But I mean, a lot of people are willing to go work together with Elon. And the reason why here is, of course, because he bought Bitcoin. He knows how it is working, and it's definitely it's so cool. It's so cool. I think 50.7 million followers. It's absolutely insane. Love this beautiful shot. Yeah, it's truly lovely to see. But yeah, Elon pushing the price and dragging Bitcoin along as well. I mean, we all love Elon probably. We all love Elon. When did you buy Dogecoin? I did not bought it at the lows here, unfortunately. I did not bought it in the lows. I was buying good projects in the bear market, not Dogecoin. But yeah, I mean, I just hold it right now for purely for fun purposes. Not to be a part of the community, of course. XRP has left the moon on his way to Mars right now. So, oh damn it, it's really on his way to Mars, yes. It is really on his way from Mars. So, looking forward to it. Passive income is king. That's true. Elon Musk is a bot. I don't believe that. Elon Musk is a legend. Ninja, you're saying, CryptoRover, you've changed a lot since January. Doge and XRP, you're loving it right now. FOMO kicked in. You should be at least admitted on the channel. So Gina Ninja, this is a thing, of course. The point here is that I want to be making here. My thoughts can be changing very quickly because the charts are telling something. So the reason why I love XRP, I mean, I'm still saying it. I'm not loving XRP, but I'm winning here. I'm here to make gains. I'm not, of course, I don't like the project still. I do like the project, but I don't like the scenario where they are currently in because of the lawsuit, etc. But let me see. You probably were not watching the streams recently, but Gina and Ninja, what we were discussing here, I was talking about XRP over here. We were seeing a symmetrical triangle getting formed here, exactly the same as 2017. So I was saying to the viewers and myself, okay, I don't like XRP. You have to know, I don't like XRP. But what I expect right now is that it's going to repeat itself as 2017. So over in 2017, we saw this huge spike of the symmetrical triangle in 2017, and right now in 2021 here, we're seeing the exact same scenario playing out here. And even though that you don't like a project, you can still see a chart telling you that it's very bullish. So the chart was telling me it was very bullish. So that was the reason why I was flipping bullish as well on the candles of XRP. So I mean, yeah, I don't necessarily like the project because of the current situation of the lawsuit, etc. But yeah, if there are gains to be made here, I will be definitely being on the side of the gains. That's the reason why I'm saying this. So yeah, that's the reason why I'm also not loving, but I mean I'm loving the gains that are being made right now with XRP. But yes, like I'm telling right now to all my viewers as well. you want to be getting careful because once reaching the $3, you definitely want to get out, because this will be absolutely a pump and dump scenario, because XRP always does these kinds of things. So if I also zoom in a little bit, you can see XRP always does these pump and dumps. So yeah, once it is pumping pretty significantly, you can also lose your money very quickly. So please be careful, because yeah, it will be absolutely the same. XRP will be pumping to new all-time highs, but it will be also reversing very quickly. So that's the reason why you want to be careful with this one. So let me see. And I mean, Dogecoin. I was not liking Dogecoin, but I changed my thoughts, and the reason why here is, I mean, it's funny, right? It's a coin of the coin of the people. It is Dogecoin is the coin of the people. I mean, it's more. I bought it. I don't buy it for fundamental worth. I buy it for. I mean, I bought a minor bit of it, and I'm going to sit on it, but I bought it because it's funny, right? Dogecoin is funny. I mean, I know it has no fundamental worth. I know it has no point of analyzing the charts of Dogecoin, because it's basically going to do whatever it wants. But I mean, yeah, maybe one day it's going to be $1, because maybe you can be buying your Tesla with Dogecoins. Would be cool, right? Let's see what we're going to do. Cool. I subscribed again. So yeah, Oh, that's thank you for subscription once again. But I mean, Ninja, what the point here, what I'm trying to make here is, yeah, once the chart is of course flipping extremely bullish, and these things can happen, I will be always changing my mind. If I always look in one way, you're never going to crush the market. You always have to look at different scenarios, of course. So yeah, XRP was signifying a very green flag for us, and I mean, we on the channel, we made very good gains because we were buying into 50 cents XRP. So yeah, you want to be at the place where the gains are being made. So let's see what it is going to do. Okay, you check ANT is looking bullish. $8 is the target. So let me look at ANT for you, my friend. Let me look at it. Maybe we're seeing something very interesting. And if we're seeing something very interesting, we have to get on board to it, of course. So let me check it for you, my friend. Let me check it for you. Are we seeing something interesting? We are currently seeing an upward sloping support line getting formed on ANT. So maybe this is indeed very interesting. So upward sloping support line getting formed here, downward sloping resistance line getting formed, and basically what we can be seeing here is that it looks to be cooling up right now. I mean, I don't really like this chart. Let me remove everything. So let me set up a Fibonacci chart first. Let me set up this Fibonacci. Let me look at this chart in a different way here, because I don't really like these trend lines. So yeah, what you can see, 1.618 here, acting as resistance, providing the resistance pushes lower. You can see also once breaking the previous all-time high, finding support on it, but you are basically trading on this level over here. So what this looks like for me, yes, you're creating an upward sloping support line. Buying strength is losing, but yeah, the price is also going lower. So yeah, I'm looking to USDT. So I'm looking to the right chart. So yeah, what we are currently having, yeah, upward sloping support line getting formed here. But yeah, immediate short term is cooling off for a second. But yeah, Bitcoin is of course going to new all-time highs. So that's definitely the reason why I do think ONT can be definitely following Bitcoin as well. But downward sloping resistance line getting formed here. At the moment, you're breaking through this level, so this can be yeah, giving us a signal that we're probably going to move higher once again. So looking forward to see where it is heading towards. But yeah, it's very hard to give my thoughts about this, to be honest. I don't really like this chart. It's not really showing a lot of significance. But yes, we are in an uptrend. We're clearing the previous all-time high. We retested it as support. So yeah, we are clearly in an uptrend. We're setting higher lows. So I expect that we're probably going to crush for the all-time high also anytime soon here. So looking forward to it. Link blasting up right now. So let me check Link real quickly for you, because guys, I don't know for how long the stream will be continuing. Of course, always trying to do a long stream here, but tomorrow I can already guarantee you guys. Tomorrow I will be doing, of course, another stream here. Tomorrow we'll be back with another day. Another day is another stream here on the channel, because we are loving to do these daily streams. So tomorrow, yes, I will be back with another stream already. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel yet here, make sure to do so, because tomorrow it will be a very exciting day, just like today. I do think tomorrow we can be seeing some altcoins gaining, but Bitcoin, of course, and maybe standing a new all-time high once again. But yeah, for the price action of Chainlink, we're still heading towards our resistance target. Previously, we got stopped out over here. So let's see if you right now can create the volatility. That would be absolutely insane if we can do so. So very excited, yes. But guys, there's a very important thing here what I do have to do right now, and that is that I have to wrap up the stream here, because I have to head out here. I have some things planned still. I have a workout to become. I have a workout to do here later on today. So there are some things for me that I have to do right now, and this is the reason why I have to head out. But guys, tomorrow I will be back with an early stream here. I will be streaming at the early hours, so you can be expecting from me once again a 4-hour stream or so tomorrow. So looking forward already to tomorrow, because tomorrow I think it will be once again a very exciting day for Bitcoin. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to do so right now. It will be of course very amazing. If you haven't already followed my very cringe TikTok account, make sure to do so. Make sure to do so right now, because I want to build it. It would be very cool if you haven't followed me on Twitter and Instagram as well. Here, make sure to do so as well. You can be finding all the socials in the description or in the screen right now. Would be amazing if you're following me over there. But guys, make sure to tune in once again tomorrow in the new stream. Make sure to also join the Discord server if you want to be coming together with the community, because we are building such a strong community, guys. We're helping out each other, and that is of course the purpose of the channel. So it was a very amazing stream, guys. We'll be checking you guys back later. I will be checking you guys back tomorrow in the new stream, and I'm getting very hungry. I haven't eaten for, let's say, 4 or 5 hours, so we'll be also eating something. So guys, make sure to tune in tomorrow, and peace out. Goodbye.